Thank you so much. Hello. Hi. Hello. Ay, hello. Ingat ka. Mag-live selling ka. Nag-live selling ko. Kaso, sa ako ang account, kaya dili ko ka live selling sa akong page. Okay? So again, thank you so much sa mga nakapunta. Hello, Senior Villar. Hello, Ma'am Florencia. Thank you so much all for coming. Salamat. Okay? Thank you, Ma'am Edsel Delema. Hello, Ma'am. Hello. Thank you. Music to relax. Hello po. Yes, you may now drop your link. Wala dyan ko free mind. Kay hinay. Oo, sa mga gabi. Ma'am, music to relax. Hello, Ma'am. Hello. Hi, yes, you can drop your link, okay? Don't forget to thumbs up, pose, and then dikit if you haven't dikit. Alright, let's go. Ano page mo? Okay, yes, hello, Alina Khan Vlogs. Hello. Shabas Collections, but we also have Max Pam, okay? You can like our official Facebook page, Max Pam, okay? Kanina, wala ko kalantaw sa live mo, kaya wala ko kita sa page, Ma'am Good. Ay, sorry. I think na-share sa page, kaya ako matong giingnan. Shaba Darity Escobedo, Makasero, ako ang Facebook. Dili ko ka, sa akong account, dili ko ka kuha dito sa page. Pero, I think di-share to, ha? So, please, kung check, di-share to, ha? Sa ako atong main account. Thank you! Wala akong kalantaw sa lang sailing mo. Sorry. Hi, Ma'am Wiclair! Thank you, Ma'am Wiclair. Pajaki ka na ko sa Ma'am Wiclair. Okay, thank you, Ma'am. Ma'am Janice, thank you. Alina Khan, why are you crying? Don't be sad. Okay, huwag kalimutan itang Saksi Host, dikit if you haven't dikit. Okay, you may drop your link. Like and share. Thank you. Wala ko ka free, Ma'am. Including kayo. Oh, mausad, Ma'am. Actually, Ma'am, not all free, Ma'am. As in, daghan pa kaayo. The problem is that ang signal niya, dugay kayo, Ma'am, ba? Inigapakita na ko. Dugay kayo mo. Take pa uwan. Kaya balik pa man, Ma'am. Tunin ko na. Niya na lang. Oh, ha? Hello, Honey Vlogs. Thank you, Mega. Shout out Anwar's Adventure. Hello po sa inyo. Salamat po. Yes, you can love. Drop your link in there. Okay? Si host na po ang bahala so that I can go to your house and I can view your video. Hi, Senior. Hello, Honey Vlogs. Okay, kung sino pa nandiyan, Java Queen Vlogs. Hello. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Sa sulok naman dyan. Your host, Shaba. And mag-love kayo dyan. Oh, kagwapa. Salamat naman dyan. Jetta Lux Mix Channel. Hello, why are you crying, Alina? Hello. 4 hours ko. Ala, Diyos ko, sorry. I-check ko no, Shabas Collections, I think gi-share dito, i-check good kay I think gi-share kay ingon man ko ipa-share kay dili ko ka live selling sa ako ang personal sa page, so dito ko sa akong personal i-check daw kay I think gi-share akong tan-aon ron, ha. Bahin atong ni Alford kato ako anak. Oh yes, ma'am, unsa man, ma'am, kato gali. Unsa gali to, ma'am? Magpatahi ka man, magpa-apil ka, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Jetta Lux Mix Channel, why are you sad? Okay, I'm gonna pin you. Don't be sad, okay? Don't be sad. I'm gonna pin you now. Don't be sad. Okay, guys, please support the one I pin. Let's focus first on the one I pin, okay? Because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Okay, guys, please connect naman tayo dyan, guys, para everybody happy. Okay, hello, Firo. Thank you so much, Firo. Thank you for coming. Thank you, Mayang Gabi, host Elmar Lagumbay. Okay, now you have the jacket. Hi, Ma'am Janice. Okay, repeat ko lang, ha. Hindi ako masyadong nasiyahan kanina sa aming pa-free. Kasi hindi ako doon sa page, hindi ako makapag-live. I don't know why. In-update ko naman and all. So, ang ginawa ko na lang, doon na lang ako sa personal account ko. Okay? So, medyo sad ako kasi kanina yung network namin dito sobrang bagal. Kaya, konti lang yung nakapag-mine. Tapos marami pa. I have a lot of stocks in here pa. So, napag-isipan ko na lang, I decided to continue again next time. Kasi, signal is not good, no? I always like that, oh, the items, I always show the items, and then very, very low internet. It takes time. The time is running. I always check the time, and then 4 items, 5 items, very, 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 very not good signal. So again, Shambas Collection Shop, paki-check nyo na lang, okay? Thank you, Firo! Okay guys, the one I pin, please support the one I pin, guys, please, okay? So that Jetta Luxmix channel will be happy also. And then Jetta Luxmix, you also support to them. Hi Lynn Aliporo! Hi Lynn! Onwards Adventure done, back please sis Honey Vlogs. Okay, nagdana si Honey sa'yo ha, palablab-lab-lab na din si Honey, okay? Wow, English ha! Okay guys, hello mga kamax. Don't forget to thumbs up host and then dikit if you haven't dikit, okay? Alright, let's go connect guys. Okay, you connect, please. How are Ma'am Claire Alfonte? Hello, Ma'am. Thank you so much, Ma'am Edsel Dilemma. Radius Boy Power Seeker. Hello, Vic. Thank you for the love and support. Edsel Dilemma. Hello, Ma'am. Okay, mga ma'am. Sorry kay kaganiha. Kay to tell you honestly, ako I'm not happy kasi kanina, I don't know, our internet connection, or you also, but our internet connection here not good. Yeah, I have an item, I do like that, and then it takes time. Kaya sabi ko, konti lang kasi gusto ko sana fast para madami, no? So okay, next time, don't worry, madami pa na, need raman to mo out din para dili mas spam lag man sad good. Ay, okay. Hello, the salty magnet fisher. Need raman to mo out din para dili mas spam lag man sad ako din. Sige lang gyud ko para okay. Oh, yanibong ko mamingan ako layo pa mo to na mura pugpug na sad ban ko ay gamay ra makamayan ani niya ang time nagdagga niya ako gadali sag ko kay I'm gonna go live here also, so I said next time. So yeah, sige lang, it's okay ha, because I think if I have lot of time talaga, I go to shop and then live everything kasi pahurot na tayo ha. Hello Buchala, good evening te, karon pa nakaapas kay nalingaw ko duwa dota. Thank you. Expire na lang akong data ate, hinugad 4 PM to 9 PM ko guard, wa jud ko kakita. I-check daw kan murag gi-share didto ha. So if naka-check ka didto, makita nimo na gi-share kay ingon mo ko na ipa-share sila, may nag-share dili man ako ha. Ay nagkasod din ha, kay daghan palagi kayo ako sad mismo. Murag dili ko kan, pero sige na lang no, sa ako ang magali kong personal nag-live. Sa akong personal ko live, supposed to be dili unta dito, pero wala ko yung choice kay dili man ko kalim. Jetta Luxmix channel, are you still there? Are you still there, Sissy? First time here. Wow, salty, the salty magnet fisher. Yes, you can drop your link, okay? Host will be the one to handle. I'm gonna go to your house and I'm gonna watch your videos. So, sige, og sakto ng tika. Okay, thank you so much. Salamat po sa love and support, Firo support. Thank you, Sissy Firo. Okay, magbaba lang kayo ng bahay. Please. Hi, sis. Musta imong chiwari-wari-riwa? Hi, Emily. Destacasamento. Hi, Emily. Thank you. Jetta Luxmix channel. Are you still there? Yes, you drop your link. Please drop your link. Okay? Awesome. Thank you. Trisha Guna. Diyos ko. Hello. Yes, guys, please drop your link. Kanta ka, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Magkantaan ko, ma'am. Pasensya na. I'm not really good in singing, but okay. Don't worry. I'm gonna try my best. Irish, thanks a lot. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much. Thumbs up, host. Hi, Ermin. Thank you. Now you have a jacket already. Please drop your link. This is unlimited lapagan. You love in there, okay? Because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Yes, please please drop your link, okay? Dikit. Love. Alright? Okay, let's go. Sexy itong ginababa niyo sa live stream, ate. Please. Okay, sige na. Okay, I think Jetta Laxmix channel is not in here already, no? Oh, I love how you speak. Wow, thank you, Trisha. Thank you, Trisha. Love. You're so sweet. Hi, mga kamax. Please like and share. Yay, thank you, Ma'am Janice. Done to you, Honey Vlog says Onward Adventure. Hello, Erhan. Hello. Yes, please drop your link. Okay, see Trisha. Okay, now Trisha, I'm gonna pin you. Okay, because I think Jetalek is not around already, no? Okay? Trisha Mijuguna. Okay, the one I pin, guys. Please. Let's focus first in the one I pin. Hi, Ma'am Ansel Dilemma. Thank you, Ma'am. Hello, Ellie Matovlog. Thank you. Okay, Erham, Trisha, hello. Okay, guys. Thank you, host. No worries, Trisha. Okay, no worries. Okay, guys, let's do this first, okay? Let's first focus on the one I pin so that everybody happy, okay? Everybody happy. So first, tell me, okay? Let them know if you done pin. Pin done pin. So that pin gonna return back to you. Okay, pin you, return also, okay? Love, guys. Thank you so much. Yes, support from Kenya. Wow, thank you. Okay, hi Ma'am Shumago. Yes, Mom. I am not really happy a while ago while having online live free mind because our connection is not good. That's why I just had my lives. Oh, May, I got the jacket to the... Oh, sure. Yeah, I haven't got the jacket yet. Okay, no worries, no problem, okay? Please. Every day, other day, you look so great. Thank you, Emily. You are so sweet, Emily. Thank you. Okay, please. The one I pin. Let's focus first on the one I pin so that everybody happy. We can do this all together. Okay? The one I pin and then next you. Please, pa-support sa munting channel ko. Thanks po. No worries, Ellie Moto Vlog. Been there, done that. So please, let's support first the one I pin. So that next. Okay? So that everybody happy. Please. Okay? Let Trisha know if you already done to. Ferro Tips Strings. Hello, Sisi. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you all for coming. Please, don't forget to thumbs up host. Dikit if you haven't subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And then, good night, Ma'am Shava. God bless. Thank you, Ma'am Edsil. Thank you for coming. Salamat. Maxis! Hello, Vera Tips Appear. Love, Sisi. Okay, please, guys. Connect the one I pin. Only steering eh. Okay, my premiere, please thumbs up. Okay, guys, Vera Tips Tricks has also premiere. Trisha, have you go to Trisha already? You tell her you go already so that we can pin another one. Okay? Ma'am Edsil, thank you. Good night, Ma'am Edsil. Good night. Love. Please, guys, you tell Trisha that you go there already. Ang gahi naman nun eh. Okay, sige na. Okay, you go to Trisha eh. So that I can go also to Iram. Okay? What a smiley, Sisi. Okay, Raki, nagsabtan sa ano sa kamagdi. Mansan ko mo koplit ang net ni mo. Maunan, kasabot ko. Oo, kanina hindi na ako okay. Medyo nasad na ako. In fact, I relive. So, pangalawa ako nag-live. Ma'am, ano po Bisaya ang maganda? Guwapa. That's guwapa. Hello, Radius Boy. Hello, says Erham Adinda Channel. Okay, Trisha, you haven't go to Trisha, you go to Trisha. So that I can pin next. Okay, I'm going next. Amazing live. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, don't forget to share the community so that we have many new friends in here and then you happy, me happy also. Everybody happy. Okay, thank you so much. Music, zig. gwapa, tulog na ko. No worries, Indaitet. Okay, no worries, no pressure. Thank you for the support. Means so much to me already. So good night, Indaitet. Okay, please. Done to Trisha says Radius Boy. Okay, Trisha, you also go back to Radius Boy, okay, so that you also happy, okay? Alright, let's support, guys, because if you want others to support you, you support them too, okay? Erhan Adinda channel also is here. Emily Destasamento, guapa kasi. Wow, thank you for that, Emily. Thank you, Emily. Okay, you can drop your link. Okay, hello, Vijay Cooking and Beauty channel. Foreigner din ni si Trisha. Ma'am, yes, Ma'am Claire, foreigner na siya. Okay, guys, please support, okay? Please support. And then, hey, everybody there, okay? If you have still work tomorrow, it's okay. Hello, Ma'am. Yes, you can take a rest also. Firo Jano, hello, Ma'am Firo. Hello, Sisi. Thank you so much for the love and support. Trisha, you look beautiful. Mao de English. Yes, Ma'am. Diyos ko. Sagara sa bisita din. Puro mga English pakining. Okay, guys, don't forget to thumbs up host the kit if you haven't did it. Okay, show some love and support, guys. Go. Okay, please, sis, older if you don't mind. At 34. Yeah, 34. Thank you. Salamat, murot ang English, ate. Tawaan ako. Okay, guys, okay? Trisha Nihuguna 254, my have link in there. You can go love, okay? And then I also pin the one who support me also, my members. I'm so touched, okay? My members, I'm so touched. I'm gonna also drop their channel, okay? Kabos. And I have Jisa also, Sanji. And mini. Zeba, I have many members, How's that? Thank you all so much for the love and support, guys. You connect. We have friends in there. Again, thank you so much, Ma'am Emily. Radius Boy, dikit po. Love, says Radius Boy. Trisha, hello, Trisha. You're still there, Trisha. Thank you so much. You show some love and support because if you want others to support you support them too. Thank you all. Okay, connect, guys. Connect the one I pinned. Thank you so much. Joyce me Onabia, start reloading. Oh, ma'am. I don't know, ma'am, pero diri sa akong kwan. Ay, sa pagkakaroon, okay, basta ganihan. Medyo, I'm not okay. I'm sad. I'm sad kasi I want na many will be happy. Okay, but a while ago, while I bring my live selling, no. Then I have lots of free sana. But, no, the internet connection not good. So, yeah. That's very bad. Hello, Vicky Boss Whitey! Sige lang, ma'am. You rest na lang mo din, ha? No problem. Okay? Post is just here, okay? I'm gonna go to your house. Okay? Team sa ako, Kuya Basket, ma'am, na adiya nagpatahi. Okay. Unsa man na team, ma'am? Ha? Okay, Vicky Boss, why are you sad? Me also? Yes, why are you sad? Don't be sad. Okay, I'm going to your house also, okay? Please show some love and support, You drop your link, you drop your link so that I can pin, okay? The one I'm pinning, that's our new friend. You love. Okay? Team overtime. Okay, I'll tell. Hello, Ma'am Janice! Thank you! Ma'am Joyce May! Ma'am Wickler! Okay, kaya para sugdon kanila. Sa sugdon? Ingna ko. Wako ka gets, ha? Okay, guys, please connect, guys. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to thumbs up host. Dictate if you haven't ticket. Hello, Ramil. Thumbs up host. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much, Ramil. Salamat. Hello, mga kajawa. Welcome back. Salamat. Hello, Buhay Coach. Love, Buhay Coach. Thank you for coming. Okay, mag-love kayo dyan. We have lots of new friends there, Trisha, the one I pin. Hello, Trisha. pagpakiluoy lagi para makikita na nila ang nakapin. Okay. Sige lang no. Anyways, I can force you, but for me, it's better you support because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Ganyan lang talaga. Shout, ma'am, tusok is the key. Yeah, thank you. Hi, yes. O, diba? Nandiyan, harang is the key. Okay? Actually, it's not my control if you go to the one I pin, but I tell you, no? It would be very helpful. We all be happy if you go to the one I pin and then he will support you also. Let's just support. Supporting is just for free, no? It's not hard to support, so why not be not? So for me, I support, and then they support. Easy and simple, and then happy already, right? Alright, let's go! Ila premiere ni Sanjay karon? Sanjay, live siguro niya. No, I think live ni Sanjay. Ako tanawon, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'm gonna go there, I check, okay? Please, guys, you connect, no? Okay, magpina ako ng iba, ha? Sige kayo, magpina ako ng iba. Hindi ko kayo nagbaba ng bahay, ha? Okay? Please. Salamat. Don't, ate, pwede niyo isulti ka LS mo. Don't forget to share, like, comment, ping, to be updated later sa video. See? Okay, support. Easy, simple, diba? Hi, yes! Hello, Ma'am Daisy Dula! Thank you so much, Ma'am Daisy Idula, for coming. Daisy Idulan, salamat po. Thank you. Salamat po, Ma'am Daisy. Okay, nababa ng bahay si Ma'am Daisy. Love ko din, ha? Kasi very, very nice sa akin, no? Again, Ma'am Daisy Idulan, the one I feel. Thank you all so much. Sad kayo, ma'am, kaya wala dyan ko naka-free mind, comment, patulog na ko, ma'am siya. Okay, sige. Okay, I tell you ha, I am also sad because I have a free mind also in my Facebook page, Shabas Collections, but I can't go live in there, so that's why what I did is that I just use my personal account and then the page just share. But the problem is, while we're having our free live, free mind, signal is not good. That is why I have lots of free, but not working because signal is very bad. While I'll having my item, no? While showing my item, no, it takes 1 minute, 2 minutes. That's why I feel sad also. So don't worry, ha. There's still a lot of time, no? Okay. Hi, beautiful host. Hello, Jessie. Now you have a jacket, Daisy. Jessie, hello. Okay, guys, the one I pin. Let's focus first on the one I pin. Okay. Let's support. Because if you want others to support you, you support them too. After na, I'll be busy at home, but leave my mobile. Wow. Thank you so much, Jessie. Hello, Ate Manalyn. May ka-birthday. Okay, guys, don't worry, ha. Sige. Siguro, I will be having a free mic here, but yeah, the one only near to me, no, can have it all, no? But only few, okay? Mostly there in Facebook because I have lots of Suki and very supporters there in Facebook. That is why I want them also to be happy. I want to pay them back in return also because they supported me long time already. So that's my way of, okay, happy. Diyos ko, kapait, ano mo in English? Uy, Diyos ko, Lord. Thank you sa pa-free. Daghan pa kaayo. Medyo nasad ko, pero sige lang. Nasad ko ganiya, kay murag gilaay ko ba? Gilaay ko, kay ang internet, pertingin na yun, nagsiko gana, nidaghan pa ta, kasi ko gana, ko daghan na pa, mura na kong kung kasayang nga, pero yung sige lang, napamay daghang oras, no? Kung saan yung tagaming Danau, te? Ikapulo na dyan na mo, ginasulti, ate. Yeah, I repeat because not everybody is present man at the moment, di ba? Example, Jorelyn Satori is not around a while ago while I'll start. She just arrived now, so I'm gonna repeat. And then there's other person also who went out and then come in. So I'm gonna repeat, okay? And then for you, it's you that you didn't go out, you stay here. Thank you very much to you. Thank you, love. Mindanao. Hello, I am from Cebu. My mother is from Mindanao. Oroqueta. Yeah. But me, I'm from Cebu. Here. In Mindanao. Okay? Thank you, Jackson. Nagbaba ng Bye. Hello, guys. Ako, gisubscribe imo gyud na pin, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, says we Claire. Daisy, nagda-subscribe na daw siya. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, again ha, Daisy also very nice to me. So, I'm gonna nice to her also. Support. Hello, full-time reseller. Hello. Hi, I'm gonna give you jacket. Hello. Okay, thumbs up. You, John, Rel, family. Yay! Thank you. Salamat po. Don't forget to thumbs up host Dikit. If you haven't ticket, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming latest happenings. Ingat kayo palagi ko, Max. It's your fan, Max Pam. Hello, Jessie Azejas. Hello. Vicky Boy, hello John, Rail family. Guys, hey guys, the one I pin, no, very nice to me. I'm gonna nice to her also because she's nice to me also. Daisy Dolan, hello. Okay, let's love guys. Uy, no? It's a nice feeling when you let other people smile and be happy, and then you also glow, and you glow differently when you're happy. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Dikit. Done, Sam, Daisy, Idolan. Okay, hello sa gwapang mo. Thank you, Ma'am Daisy. Salamat po sa pagpunta, Ma'am Daisy. Thank you. Salamat po. Okay? Like your vibe. You have a good energy. Thank you so much, full-time reseller. Thank you. Sana all mo glow. Yeah, you just have to be happy, okay? For everything to just, what do you call that? Everything will fall into place. If you're happy, everything seems very easy and right. So, yeah, you glow differently when you're happy. Yeah, that's my secret. When they say, what? You're 30 already? Yeah, why? You look 16. Gatik-atikan ko. Well, anyways, my only secret is to smile and smile until you die. No, that's my secret. Just happy. Smile. Even when you're angry, what are you doing? You smile. Ikaw ha. Okay, hello Team Fox. Make a little shout out. Wow. Hi, Power Seeker. Yeah, wow. Tell me, where are you from? I'm from Cebu, Philippines. Hello. 87 Radius Boy Nansukli. Salamat. Hello, Radius Boy. Yes, Radius Boy ha. Balikan mo si Ma'am Daisy. Very mabait si Ma'am Daisy ha. Punta din ako sa bahay niya. Tinulungan niya ako. Okay? Long live Cebu, Madam. Hello, Team Fox. You're from Cebu also. Thank you. Okay guys, you love also ha? You love also because what's the sense of going here in live stream? What's the sense of you taking your time going here, di ba? For you to channel to grow, so let's love. Yes madam, asa man ka sa Cebu? Uy, Diyos ko Lord, asa man ka sa Cebu? Out sa ako ma'am Shab, gidama si Alford, Okay, hello Alford, hello and Zia, sakto si Zia? Dana ka iti sayo ra ba kay wala pa na napako diri Diyos ko Lord maura ini no pang tabil-tabil. Hello host Joro Vlog, thank you Jordan. Wala pa ko nag-eat pero dili na ko mo eat. I will not eat anymore. You know why? My hair, that is why I'm always like that because I'm so conscious about this one, my braso. I don't like, because but it's okay na. The important is that we're beautiful and yummy. I made a short video. Take a look on. Ay, sorry. I'm so sorry for that. Hello, Jara. Thank you so much, Jara. Okay, yes, ma'am. Sakto. Sige. Okay ra, ma'am. No worries, no problem. No worries, ma'am. Salamat siya kayo sa pag-ari, ha? Again, Alfred. Sakto ba to? Alfred and Zia. Hala, uy, mag-diet ka nung ma'am niya ganihan nagmukbang. Nag-order sa food panda, berting dagana. Oh, yes. Hello, ma'am. Hello, Gwapa host ba? Thank you, Joro Vlog. Salamat, Joro. Thank you, Joro, ha? Maglapag ka ng bahay, ha? And And the one I pin, okay, now, Jara, you have a jacket. Naman kati, uy, ayaw, nagdahil, lame, dili naman, lame, ako mga short, mag-asa, imong important. Ayaw, unsa man, ako mga short, dili nakaigo, mo akong problema. Mo akong problema, lin, nahibong ko ato, lin. Actually, ni gamay naman ta ko. Gamay naman ako. Pag bagyong udit, okay? When bagyong udit, yeah, I eat. And then, when I saw ice and Coca-Cola, I gain a lot eh. Okay, now may tailoring. Yes, we have a tailoring. Max Sportswear, okay? Hello, Tamsak, who's OFW ako. Okay, hello. Thank you for coming. Now you have a jacket. How long have you been to YouTube? Okay, I tell you this one, okay? You listen to me. Yes, okay? You listen to me, okay? Okay. Okay, wait. Okay? This the Idulan, the one I pinned. You already go there? Don't forget Daisy Idulan because she's so nice to me. I'm gonna nice to her also, okay? Please show some love and support because if you want others to support you, you support them too. No, that's applause. Okay, Erham. Hello, Erham. Okay, I'm gonna pin you also. Okay, again, Daisy Idulan. Okay, you go to Daisy Idulan. Very nice person. No? Very nice person. This is sick. Take it a thumbs up, host. Idol, thank you. Okay, Joro, yung connect the one I pin. Kanina pinin ko si Daisy Idulan. Very nice person. You also dikit to her. Okay, Erham. Okay, here is my story. Okay. Alright, let's go. My channel, I start vlogging, I think 4 years ago. Okay? You listen to me. Kanina huwa kong ipin. Sorry for that. Okay, sige. You drop your link, ha? You drop your link only. Sorry, I'm so sorry for that, ha? Because I do not mind. Wait, I just so like that because I'm talking, okay? You drop your link. Thank you, Ma'am Janice Villarubra, Jonalyn Satori. Thank you for being around. Salamat po. Okay, here is my story. My YouTube is already for 4 years. I decided to no. Okay, Diyos ko, makikita ang katag-apang dari YouTube. Hello. Yes, Jonalyn Satori, thank you so much, ha? Radius Boy, pagba na lang ng bahay. Okay, don't forget, Erham Adinda channel. You love Erham. Because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Okay, take a look. Okay, sorry for that full time. Okay, I go now. I stop talking. Daisy Dulan, nagbaba ng bahay. Very amazing person. She support me so also. That's why I support her. Okay? Please, guys, connect. Okay, nandito kayo ng house, full-time reseller. Already take a look at you. Travel foods, online games and movie, etc. Wow! Hello, may gabi sa tanan. Hello, travel foods. Hello, may gabi. Ini mo din na. Okay? Here to your reseller. I'm gonna love, dikit to you. Okay? Okay, guys, you love. Because if you want others to support you, you support them too. And then, anyone in there who still have work, okay? It's okay. As long as you already went here, my heart is full already and I'm so touched already. That's very nice to me already. Felt so good. Okay, si Ma'am Daisy Catis 20. Hello! Thumbs up, host, dating dikit. Salamat naman po dyan, sa pagpunta dito. Jessie, hello! Okay, Erham Adinda Chana, you love Erham, and then you tell him, hello, I'm done to you. Please show some love and support, guys. Okay, yes, next kita, Radius Boy. Pasensya na because I'm talking and I'm segue, okay? But don't worry, Don't worry, I want you all to be happy. Just tell me, okay? Just tell me or just remind me. Please dikit my channel, guys. Baguhan lang po ako. Says Jorlyn Satori. Thank you also, Kathy. Power Seeker Coach, very good friend of mine. Please show some love and support. Full-time reseller, thank you so much for coming. Already subscribed to you, okay? Again, guys, don't forget to give host a thumbs up, dikit, or subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because if you want to, others support you, you support them too. Thank you. Your hair looks so nice. Thank you so much. It's only just color, no? Very, very done po sa nakapin. Okay, Erham. Kathy says she's done to you. Erham, okay? You go to Erham, and then while he is still online, you tell him, hello, Erham, I'm done to you, so that he can go back to you and love, love, love also. Thank you, full-time reseller. You okay? Already bell all to you. Me, when I dikit or when I subscribe, I bell all everyone. Yeah. Why? Because that's the way I supporting them. If I have time, if I'm not busy at the moment, and then he support me also, I support them too. Okay? But if I'm busy, it's okay. No? You're not really obliged to watch and watch and watch. You are afraid to bell all because watch. No. It's okay. Ate, uyan, naka-foreigner, before, when I was there in Singapore, English yan, no? Was asking if I have a boyfriend, a foreigner, before, when I went to Singapore. Kasi doon, dikit po, says Jorn, hello, Babs Lynn, Bas! Mega love shout out po sa lahat. Thank you naman, hi host. Mega love shout out. Okay, Honey Vlogs. Hello, Honey Vlogs. Nandiyan pa pala si Honey. Okay, Honey said, Erham, Adinda channel done. Back, please. Okay, Erham, you go back, Honey also, ha? Bebslin, thank you for coming, Bebslin. Okay, don't forget thumbs up, hopes. Give host a thumbs up so that I'll be happy also. In that small ways, I'm gonna happy also, right? Alright, easy and simple. Again, Yams Vlog Gaming, my friendship, thank you. Baba ako ha, ibaba ako. Hello, Vicky Boss Whitey, nagbaba ng bahay. Ayun, si Gisgot, anong karaan, kung lain, lawas ko hindi. Kabuhion. Diyos ko, ay taon kay. Wana ba yung taon, may away-away, pila na murag tuwing. On the way sa'yo, Jonalyn says, Cathy. Nagbaba ng bahay, my very good friend, Vicky Boss. Nice to meet everyone. Nice to meet you too here. Full-time reseller. Honey, thanks to you, my friend, says Erham. Back when you have worked in Singapore, you have a foreign boyfriend. It is American or Singaporean? Singaporean. Vicky Boss Whitey, done. Back, please, says Honey Vlogs. Okay, please connect. Have you ever been to the US? No, not yet. But I would love to. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone. You show some love and support. Hulaga! I like it. Silver Wings Official. Hello, on the way. Okay, nagbaba ng bahay. Okay? So now, done Erham, I'm gonna go to radios. Okay? Please connect, guys. Usan gana lapag night boat, okay? You also connect to them because very, very good friend of mine supporting me. I'm gonna support them also, ha? Thank you all so much for coming. Means a lot to me. Okay, let's go, guys. Connect. Okay, Radius Boy, Honey Vlog, done to you. Silver Wings Official, let's grow. Yeah, that's good. Let's grow together, okay? Together. So you support. You support, connect. Love each other, support each other. Okay? Easy and simple. Free. Subscribing, supporting is just for free, right? Alright. Ang pretty naman ni host, parang Barbie. Thank you, Katis. Salamat. Ganda talaga yarn si host. Sobrang bait pa. Thank you, Jorilyn. Thank you, Jorilyn. Hi, ma'am. Ganda mo po. Interesting video. Okay, now you have a jacket. Thank you naman so much. Salamat po. Okay. What makes you beautiful? Patay tani. Okay. Standing here in front of you is Shiva Darl Espedo Macasero saying, what makes me beautiful is I'm beautiful not only outside but very here inside. May asawa. Yes, I have asawa po. Dan to Arham po. Diyos ko. Yes, I have asawa. If okay, please. Okay? Host, please tell me 1K means. What? What? Tell me. Hello, honey. Yes, I'm gonna pin you also. Okay, you baba na by Radius Boy. We. Sorry, ate. Naka-English ka tuloy. Actually, single si host. Okay. Diyos ko, wag na mga tusawan yan. May have a question? Okay, you question me. Okay? Hi, host. Hi, Ma'am Che. Okay, if you guys are wondering, okay, I'm gonna explain. Unahan mo, babalikan kita. Interesting video says. Okay, wait. Okay? I'm gonna also papin host. Oh, sure. Okay? Hello. Okay, you guys, if you guys watch my videos, okay, you see my husband in there and my family. Okay? Alright? Many are. Can I ask, what? Wait, can I ask question? Sure, no problem. May muot man po sa mga viewers. Yes, sure, no problem. You tell me, and I tell you also. I just be honest. Radius Boy, okay, please, guys. The one I pin, let's go first, focus first. The one only I am watching host. Thank you, Silver. Thank you. What advice you can give to those teens who want to enter into relationship? Okay. Diyos ko, ikaw ha? Bongak na daw niya, oy. Okay. Ang sasabi ko lang, kulik and kulik, din silik. What would you do if you still love someone and you don't have the right to bother because she's in the... That's so sad. My heart is broken. What would you do if you still love someone you don't have the right? Have you tell her already? It is important to tell her even if she's engaged as long as she knew. Yeah, because who knows? She still love you. You don't know. Ginoo ko. Yes, we've been together. Huh? What? You already tell her. You tell her for 3 years. Oh, you're broken-hearted. Okay, I tell you, but my English, sorry. Okay, I tell you. Okay, you tell me. Okay, you tell me. I am gonna tell you also. Huh? You tell her how much you love her. Very important. As long as you already tell everything, very important. Okay? Okay, Papin, sure. Sige. Ibaba mo. Hindi ko marunong magbaba ba ng isi ba ng Aki Papin. Okay, Radius Boy. Okay, puntahan Radius Boy because I'm gonna pin another one. Okay, you love, and you kunik. What are you doing here, right? You fishing, and then why you're steering? You fishing, so that your channel will grow. You grow together, okay? Okay, what? Okay, here. Okay, Radius Boy, you go to Radius Boy, very intelligent, right? How did you make a pretty daughter? Okay, Yels Vlog Premiere. Okay, we love Yels. Okay, we love Yels. Okay, because Yels is very supportive also. Okay, I already tell this at 350 times. Yeah. Okay, 10 sub. Okay, he said, Papin ma'am, Premiere ko, my 10 sub. O, diba? Hello, Vicky Boss. Oh, what you guys doing here, right? You want that your channel will grow faster. So, for me, if I were you, you go to there. There are many links in there. You move, okay? Because me, I go to other, I move. I move. Okay? I move, and then I go out and then, okay? That's. Baka jowa official! Okay, Yaos Vlog Gaming, very, I miss your dakla. Hi, Pika! Love. Hello, Jaycon Time! Happy Friday, guys! Ng sa coast! Spread the love, organic friends! Magbakas lang po sa video link ko. Sabay-sabay po tayo sa pag-angat ng mga channel. Yay! See? Let's grow together. I told you, let's grow. That's what I mean. Okay? You help me, I help you also. So you participate. Love, support. Supporting is just for free. Okay? So if you want others support you support them too. So you go to the one I pin because he is very supportive person. And you know what? He's very active also. So guys, go to Yaos Vlog Gaming. Go. Connect. Don't forget to set host. Pin Mom. Done. Back please. Hello, Cilium Vlogger. Hello. I think I met you kanina, Cilium, no? Okay, now you have a jacket, Cilium. Connect, guys. Host, please. Oh, sure. Okay, sure, honey. Sure, ha? You just remind me because I always speak Marites here. My mouth is always talking. So you remind me, hello, please feed me. Okay, no problem, ha? Okay. I also have very good friend here, very supportive to me. The one I drop link. You also go, the one I drop link, ha? Power Seeker Course. If you guys haven't go connected to Power Seeker Course, you tell them. You go to their house, okay? Yaos Vlog Gaming! Yay! The one I pin, he has a premiere. I go also to your house, okay? Please guys, connect. Okay, let's grow together, okay? Ongoing ay kanang coming pa. Hello! Yes, puntahan nyo. The one I pin, premiere niya. Let's show some love and support. You know what? Lahat tayo dadaan dito. So, support tayo, ha? The one I pin. Show some love and support. Sige na po, puntahan nyo, ha? Mag-attendance lang kayo ba? You type. Please, okay? Puntahan nyo, ha? And you will support back also. Also, live streamer. Promise, ha? The one I'm pinning, Here. It's already his premiere. Puntahan nyo because lahat tayo, we all gonna have a premiere. We gonna be also like this. So you want, nobody is watching. So you go because we know how it feels to have a premiere and no one is watching because me, I already experienced that one. I'm just a newbie and then I have new upload. I'm just the one watching. I'm also the one commenting. What a life. Okay? Puntahan nyo, you go to the one pin, okay? Because it's his premiere. And then you just message. Just show some love and support because we all gonna be the same like this. We have a premiere. I experienced that one, nobody is watching. I'm just the one uploading. I'm just the one liking. I'm just the one commenting. I'm just the one watching. Alright, what a nice life. Dan po sa nakapin. Thank you. Okay, nasa na ba yun si Honey? Okay, please ha, the one I pin, you go to the one pick because it's his premiere, okay? Okay, I'm gonna make a pin another one, but first I'm gonna wait this one to finish, okay? Ma'am, I have a problem po. What problem? I thought you are English, but I think you're not English. Okay, huwag niyo akong parin. Dan sa nakapin, yes, Jorlyn, saw you here. Thank you, Jorlyn. Okay, the one I pin because we all gonna experience this one, no? So love, no? Very many supporter. Very many supporting, nice. So I already experienced this one. I am the one vlogging, I am the one liking, commenting. Alright. Okay, thank you so much sa pagpunta. I'm gonna pin another one, ha? Okay, you connect. Okay, Honey Vlogs also in there. Okay, let's go. Connect. Hello, Vijay. Hello, Katis. Thank you. Thank you all so much for coming. Salamat po. Thank you. Okay? Okay, tamsak gan. Full pack sa nakapin. Wow, thank you. Okay, connect guys. Cheers. Oh. Good luck to me. Good luck. Baby, can't you see? I'm going. A guy like you should make a warning. It's dangerous. Good Lord! There's no escape. I can't wait. I need a hit. Baby, give me. You're dangerous. Tonight, can't calm down. Losing my head, spinning round and round. Ow! Do you think this could Just could what? With a taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. Your toxic slump, sleeping under, and the taste of your post on paradise. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? And I love what you do. Don't you know that you're toxic? Wala na lang may fun. It's getting late to give you up. I took a sip from my nervous cup. It's over, taking over me. Ow! Tonight, and come down. Is in the air, sitting round and round. Can you feel me now? Gusto, bungol man ito. No. Okay, I X that one because it's bungol. No, not good. Not good, but my voice is not good. Okay, hello. What are you doing, people there? Have you connected already? Have you connected? It's okay. Okay. Oh, who's next? The one I told. Okay? Oh, Daisy Dulan. Thank you. Okay, you go to Daisy Dulan, also a live streamer, supporting me. I support her also, ha? Okay, please guys, you go to Daisy. Okay, Daisy. Hello mga jowa. Thank you naman po. Salamat po, okay? Thank you. And then now, let's go to Honey Vlogs. Okay? Please. Okay, sino pa hindi ko nabigyan ng jacket? Nandyan pa ba? Okay. Mrs. Ada, hello. Pa-shout out to host. Hello. Thank you naman dyan. Okay? Thumbs up. Hello, my kitchen TV. Salamat naman dyan. Hello, Kati. Salamat, Kati Sweet Claire. Thank you, makajowa. Thank you. On the way. Yay. Okay, Daisy Dolan, live streamer also. So you go support live streamer because they also help your channel grow. So you go to Daisy Adlawan and then Honey Vlogs, the one I'm pinning. Let's focus the one I'm pinning, okay? So that you can go to other one and then blah. Alright, let's go. Connect, guys. Yo, connect. Hello, Kathy 2.0 done, says Honey Vlogs. Thank you. Yes, Kathy, ha? Nandiyan pa si Kathy's na. My Kitchen TV. Ang pretty naman yun. Wow, thank you, Ma'am Kitchen. Okay, Ma'am Che, vlog done sa nakapin idol. Okay, dahan na daw si Ma'am Che, ha? Okay, interesting video. Unahan mo, babalikan kita. Yay! Thank you, interesting videos. Okay, and then may binaba po ako ng mga bahay. Yung mga binaba po ko, the one night boat you drop, okay? they are very supportive to me, so I am so sure they're gonna support you. So all you have to do, you go to their link and then you leave a comment in there so that they can also go to your house. Okay? Help each other, help each other. Shout out po sa host. Well, thank you naman po. Thank you so much. Ada, hello Ada. CJ Agudo. Mega shout out. Mega BE. Hello host. MMS LSO. Ma'am, pwede pa free. Asa to nawa naman. Asa na? Pa-free ng jersey ka, Alfred. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Sige po. Hello, Katis. Hello, Selena. My best friend. Ciliang Vlogger. Ciliang Vlogger. Sabi ni Ciliang Vlogger, Katis, 2.0 done sa link mo. Pabalik dito. Okay, let's grow together, okay? Please, 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 let's go together. Because if you want want others to support you, you support them too. Okay, thank you all so much. Mag-love, love, 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 love kayo dyan. Honey Vlogs, the one I'm pinning, go to the one I'm pinning. Show some love and support because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Thank you, Jaro Vlog. Salamat, Jaro, sa pagpunta. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Selena, Selena. Okay, mag-love-love-love kayo dyan. Mom Che Vlog, nandyan. CJ Agodo, nandyan si CJ Agodo. Yung isang host. Okay, honey vlogs, the one I'm pinning, go to the one I'm pinning, okay? Because if you want others support you, you support them too, okay? And don't forget to make thumbs up, host, dikit if you haven't dikit. Hello, mga jowa. Thank you naman dyan, mga jowa. Nandyan ka pa ha? Sige lang, ipin kita, okay? Yan, I love that song. Thank you. Hello, Dennis. Thank you so much, Dennis. Sario, salamat. Dennis, thank you naman sa pagpunta. Okay, thank you all so much. Salamat po. You love, love, love. You connect. Okay? Dennis Sario, okay? Please show some love and support because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Music. Dirin ako permihos kisbaan ka. Thank you, Joro Vlog. Sige, Joro, magbaba ka na yung Joro. Then, Joro, lablabin mo si Honey, ha? Lalo kang gumaganda house. Okay, good night, Ma'am Shabelo. Good night, Ma'am Claire. Thank you. Okay, Joro, ha? Magbaba kayo ng bahay, ha? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dennis. Thank you, Dennis, ha? Sige, magbaba lang kayo ng bahay natin. Si Ma'am Shea, nandyan pa niya. Guys, okay? Mag-favor ako sa inyo. The one I pin. Ha? You go, Honey Vlogs, because we'll proceed to next para everybody happy tayo, okay? Ka-Aruba TV. Hi! Hello! Mega love shout out to you. Don't forget to thumbs up, host, dikit if you haven't dikit, okay? Alright, let's go, guys. Connect si Dennis Sario, nagbaba ng bahay. Puntahan nyo din, lablabay na din, okay? Kasi, if you want others support you, you support them too, yay! Love. Si Katis also, nandyan pa din. Guys, si CJ din, nandyan pa. So, ayan guys ha. Pag gusto nyo, mabalikan kayo, ora mismo, see, nandyan pa sila, tapos na ako kay Honey. Thank you, Joro Vlog. tapos na para siya kay Honey. Okay, sige. Thank you, ha? Sige, Honey, daan na sila sa'yo niya. Sino pa man? Okay, si Makajowa, ipin ko din, ha? Kasi si Makajowa kanina pa din to, no? Very, very supportive din. Makajowa official, puntahan niyo! Okay, Honey Vlog, dating dikit sa bahay mo. Cheers, host! Happy weekend! Anjo, thumbs up, ganos. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, ha? Okay, si Joro, next kita, Joro, okay? Pagpasensyahan nyo na inom ako, ha? Hindi naman talaga ako, I'm not a heavy drinker. For me to get energized, ha? Energized only, but only one, ha? Pa-cute lang ba? Okay, hello, Dennis, are you done? Back, please, is Honey Vlogs. Okay, guys, you connect, ha? Dito lang, I'm going, leaving my Momedan, almost premiere. Ay, okay. Okay, no worries, ha? I'll go to your house also. I'm gonna watch your video, okay? Okay, in a while, ha? Anjo, Don, says Honey. Okay, Joro Vlog, hello, okay, guys. Makajowa, the one I'm pinning okay, yes, vlog gaming connected, tell him to connect with me. Okay. Makajowa official. Okay, I tell him, Dan, sana ka-pin. Hey, Katis. Thank you, Katis. Makajowa official. Hello, guys. Okay, I'm asking for your help. We grow together, okay? You help. Diyos ko, nagusa naman ni Ma'am. Ang langaw. If you want your channel to grow, let's grow together, ha? Because we cannot make it if we only want, no? Help. So yes, we'll be right back. 45 we'll text in between when I'm free. Okay, thank you, Takla.
Mamata?
Nakaharang host? Yes. Oo po. Thank you. Papin din host. Oh, sure. Okay, Makajowa. Okay, next kita kay Joro. Okay lang, Ma'am Che. Ay, sorry. Ha? Okay, sige po. No problem. You remind me lang, ha, kasi si host kasi palaging nagsasalita, ha? Sige. Makajowa muna tayo. Makajowa official. Lablabhin natin si Makajowa. Okay, puntahan ko din bahay ni Makajowa, ha? And then, okay, Siliam Vlogger, puntahan din kita, balikan kita. Kanina, nakapunta na ako sa bahay mo. Siliam also, ha? Lablabay natin, baguhan lang din, okay? Kaar, Ruba TV, keep it up, Shab. Wow! Thank you, B. Maria Lobino. Thank you. Thank you for your love and support. Salamat, Guaps. Thank you. Okay, guys, you support, ha? If you want others support you support them too. Okay? I'm going to Makajowa. You also go to Makajowa also because we cannot do it if we only one person. We have to help each other. We grow each other, okay? You help me, I help you also. You happy also. Let's everybody happy. Okay, Makajowa. Hello, Makajowa. Here, Makajowa. Vijaya Cooking and Beauty Channel. Okay, I have other cell phone also. I will go to Ma'am Che or Kaartruba. Okay, I have other cell phone. I'm going to your house so that I can view also your video. You connect, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, connect. The one I'm pinned. Very supportive to me also, so I support him also, so I know he will support you also, okay? Makajowa official done po. Sa link mo, pasukli dito po. Salamat sa sumugod, ma'am. No worries, yes. By the way, Power Seeker, also my very good friend, he said yes. Napunta siya, nandun lang siya sa BG mo, sa premiere mo. Pupuntahan, pabalikan lang daw siya, palablab, connect daw kayo, ha? Power Seeker, very supportive din yun, yes. Always yun dito sa live stream ko from start until the end. Lablabin mo din. Ma'am Che, hello, Ma'am Che. I'm gonna watch your video also, Ma'am Che, ha? Okay, here. Ma'am Che, lab. Ruba TV, done to you. Okay, guys, you connect, ha? Let's connect each other. We grow each other. StreamYard, next LS mo para akyat ako. Sure! Okay, sige, ha? Yes, vlog. The one I think kanina, no? The one I tell you, you go there because it's premiere, ha? Let's love each other because we cannot make it if we one only, okay? Please, guys, connect. Okay, makajowa. Okay, makajowa. Shella Naragadan. O, diba? Okay, makajowa. Okay, now I'm pinning you. Hello, nandyan ka pa. Sino ba yun? Si Joro? Hello, Joro. Are you still there, Joro? Nandyan ka pa, Joro? Nandyan pa si Joro? Love tayo, guys, ha? Connect. Okay? Joro, marunong ka naman mag-stream yan. Ang tanong. Yeah, you got it right. Pindan! Hello, Jessie! Oh, bait din si Jessie. Oh, noon, nag-connect siya sa mga napin. Thank you, Jessie. Hello, Joro. Are you still there, Joro? Nandyan pa si Joro. Pin kita, Joro, para lablabin kanila. Pin already connected. Okay, si Yels Vlog Gaming, ha? Yung kanina, ha? Lablabin nyo, ha? Very supportive and active din yun. So, sure, balik kayo dyan, ha? Siya yung nagturo sa akin. Okay, Makajowa Official. Here ako sa bahay mo and also Mom Che Vlog. Oh, nandyan din si Honey. Okay, Pindan. Yehey. Okay, mag-love kayo, guys, ha? Because hindi natin kaya to. Tayo lang mag-isa. If you're gonna be selfish, no, we cannot be successful. Cheers, host! Nagtagay din ko. Wow! Yes, CJ! Cheers! Thank you, CJ! Okay, connect. Hindi na ba si Yels na link, okay? By the way, guys, if you haven't subscribe, host. Give host a thumbs up also. Subscribe and you bell all so that you get updated whenever I have a live stream and also new video, okay? Love, mga kapatid! Si Makajowa Official. Paakyat, host. Hindi ko marunong. Oh, silent muna ako. Lunch muna kami. Okay lang, Jessie. Thank you, Jessie. CJ Agudo. Okay, love kayo dyan, ha? Please, connect para mag-new pin tayo, ha? Again, Yels Vlog Gaming, CJ Agodo. Hello. Okay, may pin ko ni CJ Agodo, ha? Sino pang nandyan, ha? Okay, mag-con kayo ng bahay niyo, ha? Para ipin natin. Si Makajowa Official, ha? Very supportive to me. I know, he support you also. So, you have to go also, okay? Siliam, okay. Sige, Siliam, ha? Excuse man na, ha? Kasi marana tayong lechon dito, eh. Ang dami ng oil. Ang dami ng oil, kulang na lang ako dito, eh. Okay, sige, love. Guys, okay, si Katis nandyan pa din, no? Thank you, Katis. Thank you. Okay, mag-love kayo, ha? Puntahan ko bahay nyo, okay? Puntahan ko bahay nyo. I'm still viewing Mom Che Vlog. And then, yes, viewing to Mom Che Vlog, okay? Sige, magkanta tayo ng ating mga team song. National anthem. Diyos ko. Okay? Kati on the way. Thank you, CJ. Ate, tulig na ako. Thanks sa free. Okay, no problem, ha? Jorilyn. Thank you, Jorilyn. Salamat, Jorilyn. Always and always. Pinumnong sa ta. Hello, Ada. Okay, hi, Ada. Wala ba kayo mga dyan? Such a feeling's gonna over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's with me at the top of the world. That's my secret. The music, I press volume low so that my voice cannot be heard. And it's telling me the things not to say. And the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope I will find happy watching Celia. Tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be fine if you are here. Top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's with me at the top of the world. Yay! Top of the world, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's with me at the top of the world. Yes, that's my secret. When I sing, the volume. I maximize the volume so that my voice cannot be heard, and it's like I have a nice voice. They said, you have a nice voice. It's a prank! It's a prank, guys! It's okay. Okay, alright, let's go. Connect. Because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Thanks, William. Hello, Mom Che. Mom Che is still in there. So, love, Mom Che. Okay? Alright, let's go. Connect. The one I pin. Thank you so much. Okay, alright, yesterday. Done, pin. Okay, hi, Jessie. Oh, hi, Jessie is very supportive also, so you support her also. Okay? Alright. Selyam, okay, CJ Agodo. Again, CJ Agodo. Yesterday, once more. Okay, sige. Ana, nagbaba ng bahay. CJ Agodo, guys. You go to the one I pin CJ Agodo. And then, I promise, Manche, I pin her also. I pin Mamche first. And then, hello, Selyam. You next, okay, Selyam? Okay? Yes, vlog on the way. Okay? Asawa unya ka lang. Okay, please, guys, connect. Hello, Ma'am Jessie. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jessie. And hello, newbies in there. Don't be shy. Don't hesitate to lapag your bahay, okay? Drop your link. Post will be also help you, okay? I'm gonna go to your house next, sister. Okay, I'm gonna go to your house also and love. Alright? Alright, yesterday once more. Okay, that's... Okay, music is Bluetooth is ready to play. Wala ba yung Ahmed John? John CJ, hi Ma'am Janice. When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Pin ko muna si Ma'am Chita. How I wondered where they gone, but they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every song la la la, every whoa whoa, still shine. Every single Thank you, Katis! Sige, Katis, ha? Don't worry, ipin kita next time, ha? Di ko alam mag-out ka din, ha? Thank you, Katis! What's all of love that I would sing to them, and I'd memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt the years away. Every la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still sounds. Punta ka na nakapinggan. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can even make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Every shine, every whoa, still shine. Ay, ako tayo ng John sa Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fine. Every sha-la-la, every whoa, still shine. Hi, Mom! Thank you, Rakitana, my jacket nila. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fine. Just go! Thank you, Jarlene! Thank you, okay? Dedicated yun kay Jorlyn Satore. Thank you, Rakitana! Ina, hello, Mark! Hello, Kuya! Ay, Kuya? Okay, please, guys, the one I pin. Please, you focus first. Thank you, Jarlene. Okay? Mom, share vlog. Let's first. No worries, Shakatara, you are very much welcome here, ha? Thank you. Ma'am Che, puntahan mo na the one I pin Ma'am Che, okay? Please, the one I pin Ma'am Che, and then proceed to the next. So that everybody happy, let's help each other. Let's grow each other. Kasi hindi naman natin kaya tayo lang, ha? If we selfish, no, that's not, it's not. Okay, Ma'am She Vlog. Okay, sino pa nandito? Okay, Cecilia Vlogger. Again ha, Ma'am She Vlog. Puntahan niyo si Ma'am She, okay? You show some love and support. Kaya nga nasabi ko, if you want others support you, you support them too. Yay! Ma'am She Vlog. Raketerang ina, done back. Peace! Interesting video, nandyan pa din. Thank you so much. Hello guys, if you haven't give thumbs up post, you give both thumbs up so that I happy also. And then you subscribe and bell all because me, when I subscribe, I bell all, no? Jessie nandikit, yay! Nandikit na si Jessie. Thank you naman dyan. Hello, mega love shout out. Again, Ma'am Che Vlog, huwag kalimutan, okay? Please, love it. Ma'am Che Vlog, thank you so much. Okay, sino ba nandyan? Afterlife Gaming, hello, how are you? Okay, sino pa nandyan? No? Okay, nagbaba na sana si Joro Vlog. Sige ha, sunod kita kanina, tinawag kita, ha? Okay, thank you so much, honey. Honey Vlogs, puntahan nyo din. Okay, nagbabalik yan sa Sureball. Interesting videos nandyan din. Cecilia Vlogger, lablabin din natin. Okay? Thank you, interesting. Mark Bistak, okay yan. Si Mark, ha? Very supportive also. Always here in my live stream. So I know I support you also. Ma'am Che, no worries, Ma'am Che. Okay, sige lang. Pag nandyan ka, pag pabalik-balik ka lang, sasabihin ko ulit-ulit, ha? Hello, Power Seeker Coach. Hello, Ada. Thank you, Ada. Thank you so much. Thank you all so much. Okay, love. Boss, yung ex ko, kahiwalay pa lang namin. Nagmayri agad ng din na may kasama. Oh, boss ko. Ba't ganun? Ano yan, Rowell? Hello. Mega love shout out to all. Sa mga newbies dyan, sa mga baguhan dyan. Don't forget, give host, thumbs up, and then dikit if you haven't dikit. Okay? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed so that you get notified if ever I have live stream or I have new videos, okay? Because I have upcoming videos also as well, okay? So that we love. John the Kid for you host. Wow, ano ya, Ruel? After live gaming, good evening po sa lahat. Okay guys, we have new friends in here. You love, no? The one I pin also, let's focus first on the one I pin. Okay, if you want your channel you grow, then you have to do something. So first, you focus first on the one I pin. Siliam Vlogger, okay? Siliam Vlogger, you love. Siliam, you iwan ang bakas, and then you tell him, hello Siliam, I already go to your house so that he can go back to you also. Alright, let's go! Connect, guys! Okay, thank you so much, Sisi Vijaya Cooking and Beauty. Yay! Refresh harang. Wow, thank you naman sa paharang, Joro Vlog. Sige, Joro ha. Nahanap ko bahay mo kanina. Nahanap ko, ipin ko sana. Sige lang, isunod kita ha. You can go ano. Silver Wings, hello, M. Cruz, namsak ko. Salamat naman dyan, M. Cruz, sa patamsak mo ha. Dikit din tayo ha, if you haven't dikit, okay? Alright, thank you so much, Silver Wings Official, nagbaba ng bahay. Please love binge. Vijaya Cooking and Beauty, main channel yan, no worries, no problem. Okay, you go, love. Bagong kaibigan host, wow, M. Cruz, salamat naman. Shout out to all, says M. Cruz. So guys, we have new friends in here, love, ha? Love kayo, okay? Para we grow together. Yay, thank you so much, Sisi Vijaya. The one I pin, you love, the one I pin, okay? Doon sa nakapin, says Anoya Ruel. Okay, pabalikan na lang sila, Liam, ha? Yung mga nakalablab sa iyo. Okay? Please show some love and support because if you haven't subscribe because if you want other support, you support them too. Sige ho, salamat. No worry, sige. Magkuhan ka, ikaw isusunod ko. Anoya Ruel, on the way sa bahay mo. Ikaw susunod ko ha kasi I have also may mga members din ako, ilablab ko din sila kasi ako baguhan lang ako dito sa LS, no? I'm still newbie in LS but I am very grateful, many very supportive person, no? Ma'am She M. Cruz done. Okay, si Silver Wings Official nagbaba ulit ng bahay, okay? Ada also, hello Ada. Yes, Ada, I'm gonna pin you also, okay? Okay, love, Ada. Thank you, Ma'am Chef Vlog. Nagbaba din ng bahay, you love. Alright, guys, connect. After live gaming, nandyan din. You love, ha? There's a link in there. That is your chance, okay? You have to do something. Oh, like Honey Vlogs, a very good Honey Vlog. Because she did something, no? Very diligent, very hardworking. Very good, no? You have to do something. You move, you have to do something. Alright, let's go. Connect. Daghan na nakasubscribe sa channel mo sa man. Thank you, Leo! Thank you. Nanaday ka sa mga. Thank you, Leo. Amping. Salamat, Leo. Salamat. Okay, Honey Vlogs. Sana baba ng bahay. Honey Vlogs, very supportive. You know what, Honey Vlogs? A while ago, many go. Honey Vlogs, dikit-dikit. So you go also to Honey Vlogs because sure ball. Legit, hindi kayo mabubulol. Ciliam also vlogger. Anoya Ruel Sukli po. Okay? Hello, asa na ba yun si Ano yun? Joro. Sige, Joro, magbaba ka ng bahay. Nahanap ko yung bahay mo, Joro, para ikaw son. Si M. Cruz, susuhadi kita. Nandyan din si M. Cruz. Love. Taga-asa, saan ka po host? Cebu! I'm here, Cebu! I'm from Cebu. Hello, after gaming. sa bahay mo. Okay, dito, I'm here in your bahay. Okay, thank you so much. Salamat, Silian Vlogger. Ma, may problema po ko, tangtain po ko, pero may tao pa sa CR. Diyos ko, Lord. Thank you, no worries. Okay, please show some love and support. Please. Okay, Joro, I'm waiting for your house so that I can pin another one, okay? Love. Hello, New Hope TV. We have new visitor, we have new friend. Hello, host, good evening. New Hope, you are very good. Hello. Agay, si Buana Kapod. Ma'am, daghang gwapa sa Cebu. Wow. Yeah, si Buana ko. I'm here in Cebu. Cruise done, full pack, thumbs up, dikit. Alright, let's go. Connect. Nandyan si New Hope. O, diba? Maganda yung name, no? The name is very nice. New Hope. Hello, guys. If you haven't thumbs up host, you give host a thumbs up, okay? Subscribe and bell all if you haven't subscribed. Because you know what? Subscribing is just for free. So, let's love. Support. Spread some love and support. Because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Okay? Wala na lang baba ng bahay, no? Sino pa man nandyan? Baba ng bahay, please. Okay, si Ada na lang, no? Si Ada. Hello! Thank you so much. Okay, I have new pic. Puntahan natin. Love. Okay, love. The one I pin, guys. Love. Okay, because I'm gonna drop another one. Very supportive to me, ha? Very supportive to me also, no? So you love to them because if they support me, I know they will support you too because you know what? I'm still new in live stream but they support me already. So, di ba? You support them also. Hello, James Red! Thank you so much sa papunta dito, James Red. Okay, the one I pin. Hello, Ada. Are you still there? Okay, so that you can go back to them also, ha? Okay, guys, you go to Ada. The one I pin. Love. Okay, guys, sino pang nandyan? Hello, James Red, nagbaba ng bahay, pang 50 thumbs up ako sa iyo, gandang host. Wow, thank you naman sa pa-thumbs up mo dyan. Salamat. Okay, salamat, James. Okay, James, puntahan ko bahay mo. James, ha, puntahan ko. New Hope, done, full pack, says Anoya Ruel. Salamat, Anoya Ruel. Okay, Ma'am She, vlog, already, ha, still here. James Red, okay, done sa'yo, Ma'am She. Now, I'm going to James, James Red. Okay, James TV, Red, done dikit sa bahay mo, Silian Vlogs. Sabi ni Silian, ha? Love din niyo po, guys. Salamat, host. No worries, no problem. Puntahan ko bahay mo. Okay, guys, connect. May mga links dyan. Okay? This is your time. Napakaganda mo talaga. Oh, thank you naman dyan. Ikaw naman talaga. Salamat naman. Okay? Puntahan ko bahay mo, ha? Okay, dito na ako. Okay, RCC Vijaya Cooking and Beauty Channel. Legit, hindi kayo mamubudol. Okay, that's her main channel. So, love. You go to her house and love. Very legit. And you know what? She's very active live streamer also. So, I know she can help your bahay grow. So, you go. Che Vlog, lablabin si Ma'am Che Vlog, lablabin. And then, punta muna ako sa mga members ko, ha? Okay, you know what? I'm so very lucky, no? I'm still new, but I have members already, no? That's why when I drop something, you also love to them because if they support me that I'm new, I know they will support you also. So, please ha, puntahan yung mga binaba ko na link. The one night boat. Okay, this is Jessica Padera also, no? A live streamer. She also supported me. She also support me. So I support her also. I'm so touched. Touch by touch. So yes. Oh, his bahay is really big. So I know she can help you also. Go to Jessica Padera, okay? Go to Jessica Padera, okay? And love, okay? And then you iwan a bakas, you leave a comment so that she may know. And then she can return back to you because her house is already mansion. Jessica Padera, also a live streamer. Okay, si Dennis Sario, nagbaba ng bahay. Mag-love kayo kay Dennis. Also ha, kasi nandyan si Dennis. Nandyan din the one I pin. Hello, Ada. Nandyan ka pa, Ada? Nandyan pa si Ada para magkita ng iba. Okay? Hello, Ma'am Janice James Red Dawn. Diba? Juro, hindi ko pa nagpupo ng may. Baba mo ulit. Sige na, ipin ko din. Okay, James Red. Okay, Honey Vlog says Vijaya Cooking and Beauty Channel done. Back please, okay? Sisi Vijaya, honey is done to you. Don't worry ha, nagsusukli iyan, no? Pag-iwan na kayo ng bakas, example ba baka umalis siya, ha? Hi! Mega malagang shout outs to you, Kali Gash. Thank you so much, okay? Go to Jessica Padera. I'm here, Jessica Padera, my member. I'm just newbie in live stream. I don't even know what's MSLO, but they help me also. So I know they will help you also, no? And her house is mansion already, very, very big. So you go and love, okay? James Red, hello. Okay, dito ako sa bahay mo, James Red, ha? Okay, you love. Thank you so much. Nagbaba ng bahay si Honey. I think hindi ko napuntahan si Honey, no? Okay, Honey, I'm here dito sa bahay mo. Diyos ko, chuk. Here. Okay? Okay, Honey. Si Dennis, puntahan ko din. Tapos na ako kay James Red. I think wala na. This is Ada. Wala na. Dikit na kita. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you po. Okay, sige po ha, mag-love kayo. M. Cruz, nandyan pa si M. Cruz, hey. Okay, dana ako sa'yo, James Red, ha? Dana ako sa'yo. Punta mo na ako kay Dennis, okay? Dennis, going to you, Dennis. Okay, dito. Dennis Sario. Here, I'm viewing your videos, okay? I view first your video before I go dikit, okay? Oh, a big house already. Very good. That's nice. Very good of you. Okay, thank you so much, Dennis. Okay, hi. Oh, nice to see you again. Okay, hello. Yes, same here. Hello, thank you. Okay, please show some love and support, okay? I think wala na, no, yung nakapino. Okay, si Joro. Hello, Joro. Okay, now we have new pin, Joro Vlog. Ken, ha? Ma'am Che is still there, ha? You love also, Ma'am Che, ha? Okay? Kali Nash, okay. This is a channel that I watch. Salamat, host. No problem. Salamat, M. Cruz. Ay, sorry po. Okay. Thank you so much. Dennis Sario, dating dikit sa bahay mo, sis. Celia Vlogger. Okay? Again, ha, you love to Honey Vlogs because I think, she's very diligent, hardworking. She will, back to you, no? Here in her house. Nice one, Honey. Very nice, Honey. Oh, very diligent, Honey Vlogs. Very diligent. Joro Vlogs, the one I pin. Puntahan, the one I pin, guys. You show some love and support. You focus first on the one I pin so that we can proceed to next. Okay? The one I pin. Dennis Sario, I am here in your bahay. Love tayo mamaya, ha? Don Saljoro says, Janice Villarrubia. Thank you so much sa baba ng bahay, ha? Si Ma'am She also, ha? Thank you, Music TV. That kid thumbs up. Thank you naman dyan, Music TV. Now you have a jacket already. Thank you all. Hello, Dennis, still here nearby. I'm gonna love after, ha? Okay, guys, the one I pin. Let's grow together. Jorodan says Anoya Rowell. Music TV, hello, mega love. Shout out to you, si James Red. Nagbaba ng bahay din. Okay, mag-love kayo dyan, guys. Because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Salamat. Okay, si Music TV, nagbaba ng bahay. Again, Joro Vlogs, the one I pin. Let's focus first on the one I pin, Joro Vlogs. Since he is still in there, so let's love. Okay, thank you so much, Yas Vlog Gaming. Nandiyan pa din. Hello, Yas Vlog Gaming! Jonas Villarrubia. Pindan. Okay, Joro Vlogs, ha? So, kiyan mo sila, Joro. Music TV, nandiyan pa din. Nagbaba ng bahay. Love, guys! Okay, nagbaba pa din ng bahay si M. Cruz. Don Madrid, Don. Okay, Pin Don says yes, vlog game, and then nagbaba ng bahay. And mega lang shout out, Choris Villarrubia. Don sa nakapin, full pack thumbs up dikit. Okay, Joro, ha? Hello, Joro. Lablabin mo din sila, ha? Yung mga naglablab sa'yo. Yes, on the way. Okay, very good. Again, ha? Joro Vlogs, naglablab sila, ha? Okay, next tayo. Next tayo kay Dennis. Okay, now we go to Dennis Sario. Hello, Dennis. I love already to you. I will love already to you, ha, Dennis, ha? Because I already watched your video and then I'm gonna bell on to you. So that I get updated when you have new uploads. Okay, Dennis? Thank you, Dennis Sario, for coming. Salamat po. You are... Okay, Ada. Okay, hello, Ada. One Madrid Not says Anoya Rowell. M. Cruz, ha? Nandyan pa si M. Cruz. Lablabin niyo si M. Cruz. Thank you. M. Cruz, thanks. Okay, Ma'am Chef Vlog. Oh, see, Ma'am Chef Vlog, very diligent also, no? Host, oh yeah. Yeah, you did not forget that, Kalinash, hello. Yaos Vlog Gaming, salamat. Jonas Villarrubia. Thank you. Don't forget host Namsak, give host Namsak and then Dikit if you haven't Dikit, okay? Dennis Sario, let's go to Dennis Sario, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Salamat po. Please show some love and support, guys. Thank you all. Salamat po. Okay? Please. Anoya Rowell is nandyan pa din. So, love-lovin nyo din. Okay? Ma'am She Vlog is in the house also. Okay, Power Seeker ko. Hello, takla. Dennis Sario. Hello, Dennis Sario. Okay, love kayo dyan, ha? Connect. Because if you want other support you support them too. Go, guys! Connect. Ayan channel. Good evening, Ayan channel. Okay, love. Dennis Sario already connected to him. So you connect also. Okay, love. aniversaryo, wag kalimutan daan niya sa Ay, Hans Channel, salamat naman dyan na Hans Channel sa pagpunta dito. Music TV, nagbaba ng bahay. Say yeah, like Ariana host. Yeah. Bisaya, be ko host. Yes, bisaya ko, Diyos ko Lord. Anoya Ruel, hello. O si Music TV also. Good night, Ma'am Sheb. Okay, sige na Ma'am Janice, no worries ha. Salamat. Thank you. Sige na Ma'am Janice, rest na din ha. Okay, salamat Ma'am Janice. Don't worry ha. Naanad na kumaon na din akong live po yun ha. Thank you Ma'am Janice. Good night.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Dikit Danny says Ian's channel. Okay, dikit na daw. Okay? Thank you so much. Love, love, love. Okay, Ma'am She is still in the house. Mag-lob kayo, okay? Ada also nandyan pa din. Ada, there's someone connected to you. Ha, you connect them also, ha? M. Cruz, okay, M. Cruz. Sige, M. Cruz, magbaba ka ng bahay. Ikaw susunod ko. Sige, M. Cruz, ha? Magbaba ka ng bahay, ha? Dennis Arya! Hello, Dennis! Okay, sige ha, kaya may maibaba din ako ha ng mga member ko ba. Very, very supportive to me also. I support them because they support me also. Thanks, so okay, Ma'am Che ha, Ma'am Che, nandyan pa si Ma'am Che. Oh, you can dictate to her. Oh, it's your chance. Okay, you love, you connect. Okay? Okay, alright. Host, can you find a sound effect or gonna get to saying yeah? So, okay, sige. Oh, yeah. Ayan siya! Nagbaba ng bahay! Yay! Nagbaba ng bahay. Thank you all so much. Salamat naman po. Salamat. Okay, nagbaba naman. Okay. Now we have new pen already and go to M. Cruz. Puntahan si M. Cruz, guys. Go. Connect, guys. Okay, M. Cruz, dito na ako sa bahay mo. Here's. Okay? Okay, M. Cruz, you go to M. Cruz, you connect to M. Cruz while he is still online, okay? You connect now. You connect. Hello, Rico B. Good evening, host. Ganda. Thank you naman. Ganda mo. Salamat naman, Rico. Salamat, Rico. Okay, please, the one I pin, guys. The one I pin. You show some love. Kadikit ko na binaba mo, host. Kadikit ko na binaba mo, host. Ano? Okay, oo, I get loading si host. Okay, hello, sister, thumbs up done. Thank you, sister. Kadikit ko na binaba mo. Okay, thank you. Salamat, Jessica Padere, dating dikit. Don M. Cruz. Yehey. M. Cruz, dating dikit na. Diyan din ako nag-isda, guys. Binaba ni host. Yehey. Thank you, M. Cruz. Yes, ha. We grow together. Okay? Java Queens Vlog. Hi. Hello. Okay? Let's support. Let's grow together. You go to the one I pin M. Cruz. Okay? Alright, let's go. Connect. Because if you want others support you, you support them too. Salamat, host. No worries, M. Cruz. Dito ako sa bahay mo, ha? O, diba? This is M. Cruz, guys. Ma'am Channel Java Queen. Hello, Java Queen. Thank you. Okay, may baba pa ako na bahay, ha? You love din kayo nito, ha? Kasi very supportive sa akin, so I know they will support you also, no? Okay? Chon. Ano ba yun? Okay, please, show some love and support. Very supportive friend of ours. So, they support you also. Salamat! Thank you! Love you, Java Queen! Thank you! Thank you so much! Connect. thumbnail nyo ang ganyan mo. So, thank you naman, Lee. Thank you, Lee. Yes, magbaba lang ng bahay, okay? Thank you so much, Lee. Yes, this is Anlila Paganyaho. Says Anthony Simple Vlog. Hello, Anthony. Thank you for coming. Nandyan pa din si Yells Vlog Gaming. Alright. Anoya Ruel, nandyan pa. Thank you naman, Java Queen. Hello. You're welcome, beautiful. Thank you, Lee. Thank you so much. Yes, you can drop your link, okay? This is unlimited dropping link. Lapagan, Dikitan, so you go. Okay, you go. And Cruz, the one I'm pinning. Love. Show some love and support because if you want others to support you, you support them too. And Cruz, Ayans, full pack, baby love. Yay! Okay, Anthony Simple Vlog. Yahoo! Okay, M. Cruz tayo guys para we can proceed sa next, okay? Please, M. Cruz. Salamat po. Okay, nagbaba din ng bahay si Anoya Ruel. Again, M. Cruz. Kanta ka, who's ganda. Okay lang. I gonna tell you that I only sing, Diyos ko Lord, okay? Kunti lang. I am not good singer, but okay. I sing. Okay? My national anthem. Our national anthem here. Very easy and simple song. Okay? I sing our national anthem here. This is our national anthem. Everyone knows this is the only song I sing. Okay, let's go! Is Bluetooth is ready to hear? Okay, let's go. Connect. Thank you so much, M. Cruz, the one I pinned, guys. Thank you, Rico. Wala ba dyan kami dyan? Cheers! And I know I truly love him. And I'm singing a song, hoping he'll be back when he hears me. My heart goes la 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 in the morning. Sha la la in the sunshine. Just like mine, if you cry, sing along, maybe once, maybe twice. Let's do this together. Some sweet day, no one knows he'll return, and you'll be happy. Shout it sweet in a song, listen to your heart when it sings. My heart goes sha la la la. Diyos ko, yan lang talagang alam ko. Lalo kang gumaganda host pag nagkanta ka. Joke, joke, joke. It's a prank. It's a prank. Okay, sige, kuni kayo dyan, ha? Pasensya nyo na, ha? Ako na magsabi sa inyo, I am not good singer. But it's okay. I can handle, okay? Just for fun. You just be happy here, okay? Happy lang. Anoya Ruel, the one I'm pinning, guys. You go to Anoya Ruel. Okay, you go to Anoya Ruel because... Okay, next song. Is Bluetooth is ready to pair? Alright, let's go. Kunik. Anong gusto nyo, eh? Ilason, anong gusto? Sorry naman dyan. Okay, wait. What? Wait. Okay. Before, when I'm elementary days, they call me Britney. They call me Britney Spears. Yeah. Yeah. Hello, Britney. You, Britney? I'm Britney. Okay, sige. I'm Britney. Okay. What will I sing? Okay, here, Okay? You clap also. You clap also so that I know that you are listening to me. Maybe when I sing, you go out, everyone, eh. Okay, hello. You connect Anoya Ruel, Anoya Ruel while he is still there. Anoya Ruel, you still there? Is Bluetooth is ready to pair? Ay, di ba ko lasing, ha? Wala pa. Ito pa lang, ha? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. How I was supposed to know. Something wasn't right. Oh, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Because my loneliness is killing me. And when I'm with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, the reason is you. Boy, you got me blinded. Oh, pretty baby, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. Not the way of hiding. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. What be my loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still be. And when I'm with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, how was I supposed to know? Oh, pretty baby, I should've known. sabi. Okay, boss, don't bring too much. Tingnan mo, ayaw na niya. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. Hi, trip ni EJ. Okay, bigyan kita ng jacket. Ha, trip ni EJ. Hello, trip ni EJ. Now you have a jacket already. Mag-StreamYard ka sa sunod and para double purpose naka-live FB page mo connected to YouTube channel. Paano yan? Hindi ko marunong eh. I don't know how. You teach me also. I don't know. Okay, let's go. Connect. Hindi nyo pa ba na-connect si ano Yaruel? Evening host. Hi, trip ni EJ. Tagay pa host, may G dito. Oh, sana all. Oh, may binaba na bahay si trip ni EJ. Lablabin natin, okay? Si Nuya Ruel, kumusta? Kumusta ka dyan, Nuya Ruel? Okay pa ba? May dumikit ba sa'yo? Guys, maglablab kayo. Una muna tayo sa nakapin, ha? Para madami tayong agi ba? Madami tayong nagawa. Para yung 40k followers mo sa FB page mo, lahat pumupunta YouTube channel mo, di ba? No? Sige, turuan mo ako. O, sis, very good ni si Honey. Honey Vlogs, very good, no? I like her style, no? I like her style. Trip ni EJ, back please. Oh, done. Very good, Honey. Oh, Yels. Thank you, Yels. Okay, ito link ni Yels, ha? My first members also, very supportive to me. Yeah. You know what? Very active also. He can help you also. Live streamer also. Me, I don't know how. Anything I don't know ha? I don't know. Happy po, balikan kita, says trip ni EJ. Adzel. Okay, guys, ha? You love, Anoya Ruel. And then, please, guys, the only one members sa'yo solid. Yay! Thank you. Okay, sige, host. Love you. Love you. Thank you, Rico. Thank you, Rico, ha? Salamat. Sige, magbaba kayo ng bahay. Sige na, magbaba kayo ng bahay, ha? May ibaba ako, ha? Kanan. Very supportive dito. Hindi ko malimutan, ha? Sige, magbaba kayo ng bahay para i-team din natin, ha? Si Anoya Ruel, huwag kalimutan si Anoya Ruel. Okay? Love kayo dyan. Mag-love kayo dyan, okay? Gin Calamansi. Okay. But I think basta mga heavy ba yun? Heavy ba yun? Ganyan. Light lang yung okay sa akin. Pag heavy, I think 3 days ata ako yung hangover. Hangover lang pala, hindi pa alam. Diyos ko! Okay? Please, Anoya Ruel, maglapag kayo ng bahay. Thank you, Rico. Sige, host, love you. Okay? Trip ni EJ nandyan, ha? And then magbaba kayo ng bahay. Hello, Mrs. Ada. Trip done, says Anoya Ruel. O, diba? Okay, mag-iwan na kayo ng bakas, ha? We grow together. And then, Yels, ha? Si Yels, live streamer also. Very active. Always uploading videos, no? We need person like that. Very active and always supportive, no? And then, wala man naglapag ng bahay. Maglapag ako, ha, ng bahay, ha? Then, you go dito sa he always online. Very supportive friend also, no? Hindi ko makalimutan sa mga ganitong tao ba? Kasi nagpipayback lang din ako. Parati na ako nag-repeat nito. 400 times na eh. Okay? 400 times. I repeat. But it's okay. Because I mean it so much. Meaning to say, I don't forget, ha? The one person who helped me when I have nothing and when I have everything, very good. I help you also. We grow together. Oy, the one I pin. You go, the one I pin, okay? And then you want a bakas, you leave a comment. Hi! Thank you, Maverick! Thank you! Oy, Diyos ko! Here. Okay? The one there, coming. May berik ako ni. You go. Live streamer, very many people. Okay? You want to go fishing? You go to Maverick, ha? I go also Maverick, ha? And then night boat also. I will put you night boat, but wait minute first because I don't know how. Anoya Ruel. Okay, the one and pinning. Hello, Maverick. Hello. Okay, Maverick, ako ni. There. Di nyo ba makikita, no? Okay, thank you, Tomshire. Thank you. Maverick. Hello, guys. Okay? Again, if you want your channel to grow together, you go to Maverick ako ni. Okay? Yung Maverick ako ni. The one laughing. Like that. Oh, there. Oh, no. You look at your chat box. See, I looking my chat box. You look at your chat box, okay? Pag yung 50k FB page mo subscriber, wait kasi pwede na matulog. Oo. Sana no, yung 50k subscriber, yung follower ko doon, no, punta dito. Okay? Hey. Let's go to the topic. Okay? Maverick ako ni. You see that? That one. That. Okay? You go to Maverick ako ni. You click go channel. Okay? Go channel and then you go there fishing. Okay? You go there fishing because many people in there. Here, no people eh. People here very, not many. Ha? Maverick ako ni. Very lots of people. You go to Maverick. Yay, thank you. Oh, see? Night boat. Thank you, Power Seeker. Guys. Hey. Listen to me, okay? Maverick, ako ni, is a very good live streamer and many people going there fishing. Okay? So, if you want your channel grow fast, he can help you very much. You go to Maverick. Okay? You go now. Please. We are people here. Okay? I tell you. No, I'm just telling the truth. I want us to be happy and grow. You go there and I see you there and then you come back here, you see me here. No? When you go to Maverick, a lot of people, okay? You fishing, huh? You fish hard. No? When you come here, you're just staring. Okay? And always because no people. It's okay. As I've said, the important is I'm beautiful and I'm yummy. Maverick ako ni. Thank you sa pagdaan. Alam ko you still have work. You still have work, right? Okay? Thank you. Okay, guys, you go to Maverick, ha? Okay, the one night mode. Oh, where's the night mode, eh? Oh, no one is night mode. Okay, later, ha? I don't know how. Okay, later, I'm gonna put night mode. Okay, I'm off. Very good. Okay, he make number to me yesterday. I'm just newbie here. Yeah, I'm just newbie here. Don't know everything. And then he go to me yesterday night. And then trust me, he make member me. I love him so much. Isang buti pa nga, meron ako yan, host. I will turn to you, and connecting to BG right now. Okay po. Okay, ito ha. Pasensyaan nyo na lang if I speak English, which is, I know that I don't really good in English. Okay, pasensyahan. I'm so sorry. But I have to speak English so that everybody will understand. Okay, because I have lots of foreigner here. Diyos ko, ang sabi. Okay, host, can you pretend to be Ariana Grande? Practicing for her concert. Okay, you look like a pro host. No, Maverick. In fact, nung pumunta ako dun sa bahay ni Maverick, wala lang, naganon lang ako, tapos kasi naganon siya. John, ganon si Maverick, tapos sabi ko, Diyos ko, mutgam sa tanin mo. Gating na. Diyos ko, naunsa naman yung piluka, Degree, naunsa naman yung buwi naman eh. Sige. Naunsa naman ni ma'am. Na-out of balance. Kadit lang. Okay. You look like a pro. Okay, you go to Maverick, ha? You leave me alone. You go to Maverick and you love. Okay, you fishing budot ka host. Diyos ko, Lord. It's okay, host. You're no problem. No problem. Okay, no problem at all, ha? Okay, I speak in English so that everybody will understand, so that they will not hesitant. Hesitant? Honey Vlogs, Honey Vlogs is very, very supportive and very, very hardworking. Okay? Because from the start, whenever I have pin, she go. So, Honey Vlogs, you go to me break ako ni, ha? Because when he do live stream, mini fishing. So proud of you. Ha? You go, ha? You go, let's help each other grow, grow, grow. We grow together. Okay? We grow together. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, see? No one is in here. No one is laughing girbahan. Okay, Anoya Ruel, thanks for connecting. I will return. Be safe. Okay, kanisad si Mrs. Ada. Oh, kalit lang kagulho. Kalit lang kawala. Bae. Ha? You on and off and on and off. Yes, host, understood everything. You're streaming. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Okay. Okay, you, nakajuwa. You understood me, right? You go to Maverick. Have you already connected to Maverick? He's also my member. He's also my member. Very, very supportive. And what's good about here is that he is very amazing live streamer. He can help your channel grow. So, okay, Triple AG, you go to the one I told you, me break, and also the one I paid, because the one I paid, very, very, very good, very supportive friend, and then Maverick also, very, very nice live streamer, okay? Alright, let's go! Connect, guys! Hello, Anis! Good evening! That's right, host. Oh, nahirapan ko mag-English. Sorry. Ang ganda, cute mo pa naman, host, pag mag-bluetooth ka. It's Gigimon. It's Bluetooth is ready to feel. No? Ang daming Gigimon yun eh. Hello, thank you, Rico. Rico, nagbaba ka na ba? Magbaba ka ng bahay. Sige na ha, si Mebs mo na ha. I-pin ko muna si Meb ha. Meb, I think nandito number yun. Wala pa sa net mo. Si Meb mo na ha. Please ha, Meb ba? Meb, okay? Sure man bugo na matulungan niya kayo, okay? Sure ako na matulungan niya kayo. So, wait sa, magbaba sa ako ng bahay ni Meb. Hindi ko alam kung doon ako sa iyo. Mura man o dili baguhan. Thank you, Rico. Magbaba ka din ng bahay, Rico, ha? Anis, hello. Mega love shout out to you. Again, the one I'm pinning. Wait, di ako marunong man dito eh. Okay, go to channel. I go first to the channel and then I'm gonna baba this link, okay? Is bahay. Okay? Please puntahan bahay. Hindi ako marunong, no? Okay? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna pin may break ako ni because he's very, very amazing live streamer. I know he will help your channel grow, okay? Please, wait, puntahan nyo ha. Wait, replace. Okay, replace na tayo, guys. You go. Connect. Music. Okay, we have nakapin na ha. Maverick ako ni. Puntahan nyo guys ha. He can help you. Promise, I swear. Hello, Sir Fidel! Hi, Sir Fidel! Thank you. Sir Fidel, very, very supportive friend, no? Hello, mag-iwan na po kayo ng bakas para dali balikan kasi loading akong net. Says trip ni EJ. Okay, trip ni EJ. Hello, Darcy! Murag late ko. It's okay, kuya. No worries, no problem, kuya. Okay, no worries. Thank you, Sir Fidel. Thank you. Okay, you go. The one I pin. Okay, thank you, Sir Fidel. I also put you pin. Okay, Sir Fidel. Okay, the one I pin. Very, very good live streamer. Amazing live streamer. Many go there fishing. Okay? You love the one I pin because I know he can help your channel go, grow, glow. Alright? Alright. Okay. Maverick, ako na. Hello, Rico. Are you still there, Rico? Hello, Rico. Ti amo, linda, amiga. Thank you. Thank you so much, Aris. Hello, Aris. Thank you naman dyan. Trip ni refresh day. Murag sobrang late ka. Ala, sorry. Late na ko. Okay, refresh. I'm so sorry for that. I'm so sorry. Okay. Ala, patay ta. Ani, na-late na data. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Kali Nash. Nagbaba din ng bahay. Okay, thank you sa jersey, ma'am. No problem. Thank you, Kuya Darcy. Maverick. Done. Okay, very good yan, Anoya. Very good, ha? Very good. Kasi madami kang maki-fishing doon. Ipunta ka sa kanyang live stream. Okay? Mercedes Ramon. Hello. Mega love shout out to you. Salamat sa pagpunta. Okay? Maverick, ako ni. Okay, hello. Thank you, Kuya Darcy. No worries, no problem. No, pa-thank you din ako sa imong support. Anoya, thanks, dear. Mercedes Ramon. Okay, guys, you show some love and support, okay? Sir Fadel Salam, very supportive. Also, you go to him also, okay? You visit, love, Sir Fadel Salam. And then, don't forget, let's focus first on the one I think because that Maverick ako ni, very amazing live streamer, okay? He can help you. I strongly believe. Hello, Rico. Hello. Thank you so much, Sir Fadel. Dan says Mercedes Ramon. Sir Fadel, mega shout out. Diba? Thank you. Sige ha, thank you. Mag-love kayo dyan, okay? Alright, let's go. Connect, guys. Thank you. Salamat po. Okay, is Bluetooth is ready to kill? Okay? Sige po. Mag-connect lang muna kayo dyan, ha? This is a story about Girl named Lucky. Early morning, she wakes up and knock on the door. It's time to make her perfect smile. It's you that all waiting for, baby. Reason she loved me, this Hollywood girl, and they say she's so lucky. She's a star, but she cry, and her lonely heart thinking if there's nothing missing in my life, then why do these tears come at night? Lost an image in a dream, but there's no one there to wake her up. And the world is spinning, but she keeps on waiting. But tell me, what happens when it stops? They reason she loved me, this Hollywood girl, and they say she's so lucky. She's a star, but she cries, and her lonely heart thinking if there's nothing missing in my life, then why do these tears come at night? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, hello, Sari. Thank you. Isn't she lovely? This Hollywood dyan ha. Mag-connect-connect kayo. Okay, nandyan yung nakapin natin. Si Maverick. Okay, Maverick, ako ni. Huwag kayong kalimutan, magpunta kayo dun ha. Kasi live streamer yan and very, very amazing live streamer. Kasi marami kayong mafi-fishing dun ha. Lots of fishing in there. So no. Hi, host, maganda. Maganda din. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Thank you, Ka-Adri. Salamat naman dyan. Thank you. Okay? Salamat. Puntahan nyo yan ha, yung nakapin ko. Guys, puntahan nyo yung nakapin ko. Okay? Please, puntahan nyo yung nakapin ko kasi I know he can help you. Change pin na. Okay, Diyos ko, Lord. Sorry. Okay, next. Thank you ha. You teach me how to do it. Hello, Maverick. Thank you. Okay, sige na. Sino pa dyan eh? Sino pa dyan eh? Okay? Sige, change pin ako eh. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we have new pin already. Please, puntahan. Lab. Okay? Please, puntahan and lab din nyo. Okay? Okay. Cooking with Sophia. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna sing again another national anthem. Thanks, Anoya, says Mercedes Errabon. Yay. Okay, please, the one I pin. Thank you po. Salamat po, okay? Pin, full pack done, Madam Guapa. Thank you, Donna. Okay, sige po, si Donna, no? Okay, its Bluetooth is ready to pair. Alright, let's go, guys. Okay, another national anthem. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, sige. Thank you. Okay, love. Ganapin ha. No, you teach me ha. I'm serious already. The words to speak before you make you think that the love I have for you was seen and then. Well, if you look into my eyes, then you should know. Yes, you're sure that you have nothing here, no doubt, nothing to fear. And you can lay your questions down, 'cause if you hold me, so we can fade into the night, and you'll know the world could die and everything may lie. Still, you shouldn't cry, 'cause time may pass, but longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side. You go to the one I pin. You love, okay? Because you changed me. Thank you very much. Cooking with Sophia. Hello. Take my hand and gently close your eyes so you could understand that there's no real love tonight and what I'm for you. Well, if you feel the same way for me, then let go. We can journey to a garden no one knows. Life is short, my darling, tell me that you love me, so we can fall into the night and you'll know the world could die and everything may lie. Still, you shouldn't cry. 'Cause time may pass, but longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Yeah, hey! Thank you, Donna! Salamat naman, John! Salamat, Donna Vlog! Ito talaga ni Madam Moose. Hello, Milford! Good man! Hello! Mega shout out to you now. You have a jacket. Okay, please, Anoya Ruel. Hello! Cheers! Okay, don't forget the one I'm pinning, guys. Okay? ka-agree. Complete package host, mukhang artista, gandang pa boys. Thank you! Okay, sige, maglamag na kayo ng bahay. Hello, boy! Hunter Vlog, thumbs up. Wow! Sariri ka, thanks dear, says Maverick Akuli. Okay, now, boy Hunter, you now have a jacket already. Yay! Okay, you connect, okay? Okay, Sariri Kat, since you are a beautiful woman, you can't watch it forever. Thank you. Okay, please, I go to your house and then I pin also, okay? But before that, Mercedes Irabon, you go the 118, okay? Hello, Boy Hunter. Salamat naman yan sa pagpunta. Okay? Salamat sa pag-visit sa aking munting bahay. Okay? Don't forget the one I pin, guys. You go connect because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Thank you so much, Sariri Kat. Okay, Sariri Kat. Okay, I'm gonna pin you also, ha? Okay, guys, Mercedes Ramon. Don't forget. Okay? And then, guys, don't forget to thumbs up post if you haven't thumbs up, and then dictate or subscribe if you haven't dictate, okay? So that you get notified whenever I do live stream and I have new videos also. Kahit di ako ba na makita yung gandang host. Ay, Boy Hunter, salamat! Thank you, puntahan ko bahay mo, ha? Puntahan ko bahay mo, okay? Wait lang po, ha? Puntahan ko bahay mo, Boy Hunter. Salamat po. Okay, may baba ako ng bahay. Love natin. Very supportive. Thank you, Mercedes Erabon. Okay, guys, I will pin another one, but make sure you also go to Mercedes Erabon, okay? Alright, so that everybody happy in here, ha? So that fast, okay? Alright, let's go. The 118. Let's go. Connect, guys. Thank you, Mercedes Erabon. Hello, Boy Hunter Vlog. Salamat naman dyan. Puntahan ko bahay mo, ha? Mercedes Don Balik. Oh, sabi ni Boy Hunter. Hello, Cooking with Safia. Hello. Okay, ka-agree. Dito na ako sa channel mo, ha? Dito na ako. Oh, okay. Very good. Oh, dating dikit na pala tayo, ka-agree. Dikit na tayo. Maverick support. Hey. Oh, dating dikit na pala tayo. No, I'm gonna watch your video, ha? Watching your video. Okay, thank you so much. The one I pin, guys. Show some love and support. I also go to the one I pin. Pa-shout out, Melford Goodman. Hi, hello. Sa mga newbies dyan, sa mga baguhan dyan, don't just watch, okay? Please po, you can lapag your bahay. You drop your link, okay? Ibaba ang dapat ibaba. Wag lang yung timpane. Okay, ibaba ang dapat ibaba. Pa is the host, just me, Jessie. Hello. Mega love shout out to you. Thank you naman dyan. Thank you, Maverick. Salamat po, ha. Thank you po. Okay, dito na ako kang M. Cruz, no? Daan na pala ako kay M. Cruz. Okay, Melford Goodman. Hello. Salamat naman dyan. Thumbs up post. Thank you. Me too. Thank you. I'm happy. Me also. I'm very happy. Thank you for supporting me, ha. I'm just new here, but I felt very nice, ha. Thank you so much. My heart is full. Okay, now I'm watching your video also, ha. I'm watching your video. Here, 3 minutes. Takla. Hello.
Mamata.
Okay, alright. Let's go. Anoya, well done, Baldi. Thank you so much, Power Seeker. Kulbaag tamil, ma'am. It's a prank. Alright, it's a prank. Kulbaag tamil. Kuya, thank you, kuya. Kulbaag na, it's a prank. Oh, here, ha, viewing your videos. Okay, hello, Cookie. Okay, the one I pin. Okay, guys, we focus first the one I pin and then we go next, ha? We love. Okay? Dito lang kapi 9 a.m. here. Hello. Maverick ako ni, guys. Okay, very amazing live streamer. I always go there, bahay, fishing because many fishes in there, ha? Thank you. It's the best. Thank you also. Okay, si Jessie nagbaba ng bahay. Very good kay si Honey Vlogs. So, very good Honey Vlogs, no? Very good. Power Seeker Coach also in the house. Thank you, Power Seeker. Maka Jowa official, yehey. Thank you, Maka Jowa. Nakapunta na ba ako sa bahay mo? Ka-agree, Dan, balik. Thank you, boy. Puntahan ko si Boy Hunter, ha? Puntahan ko, okay? Ka-agree, ha? Love-love na tayo, ha? Okay? Love-love na tayo. Thank you. And then, puntahan ko si Boy Hunter. Guys, connect, guys, because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Yehey! Please, connect. Puto si Kwati, mga on. Wow, my favorite. Tapos mangga, my favorite. Mga favorite ko ganyan. Pumunta ako sa SM Cebu. Diyan, yung bahay kubo. Oh, diyan. Thank you, Maverick. Ako ni, I'm so proud of you. No, I'm so very, it's my pleasure to have known you. Sakto ba? Anoya Ruel, yehey. Nandiyan pa si Anoya. Very good, Anoya Ruel. Thank you, Anoya. Okay, Boy Hunter, punta ako, ha? Okay. Please, guys, let's go to the 118. Tapos, puntahan natin si Boy Hunter. Okay? Watch first your video, Boy Hunter. Boy Hunter vlog. Here ako sa bahay. Uy, live streamer also. Okay, you go to Boy Hunter, okay? If we want our channel grow, we need live streamers because they also help us our channel to promote. So, like this one, Boy Hunter vlog, you go because live streamer also. Okay? And then there's also, hello Donna vlog, thank you. Cooking with Sophia, thank you. Okay, you drop your link. Okay, I'm gonna pin also, ha? Okay? We need live streamer if you want our channel to grow faster. Boy Hunter vlog, live streamer also. The one I'm pinning, okay? Maverick ako ni. Wow, pag-show. Oo, bahay kubo. Na dito, stante sa center. Nay mangga, kanang puto si Kwate o kana. Nay bag-uron. If i-search mo, Charlie Cup. Dito sa Busay. Muni uso diri ron. Nana ako lang kay mga kakanin. Mauna akong ganahan. Nanabi lagi ko. Okay, Honey Vlogs, very good si Honey. Maka Jowa, dances Mercedes Erabon, it's fun. Thank you, Saririkat. Okay, guys, Saririkat, very supportive. We just met, but very supportive. So, please support him also, ha? Support them also. Okay, si Buana kayo host. Yes, si Buana. Sige mo, adto ko po, Charlie Cup, mo, ni uso diri ron, tanan mga bagong mga bot, mga to Charlie Cup, hindot kay view, kanang mountain view, niya, sa SM SAD, SM Cebu, mag-snack, adto dito, na ay bahay, kubo, mangga, si Kwati, o, sa pangalan na, puto, Asa dapit, taga-Busay ka, kuan, dili, taga-Mindanilya ko, pero mauna ang uso dito. Wapa kay ka-host, kaakit ba? Uy! Ala! You're from where, Mercedes? You're from where? Diyos ko, magsayang dito din eh. Cooking with Sophia, hello! Thank you, Cooking with Sophia. Okay, nagbaba ng bahay, ha? Okay, guys, wait first, ha? That one, I think, very supportive to me. You support also, because if you support me, I know I support you also, okay? We just met, but he supported me already, so I'm very thankful. And now, I'm supporting him also, no? I'm viewing his house, again, another video, and then, okay? And then you support him so that we can pin another one. Pack Village Vlogs, hello there! Hello. Okay, Sophia Vlogs, hello! How are you? I'm fine, thank you so much. Okay, now you have a jacket already. Okay, now next pin. Okay, Boy Hunter. Jessie, ikaw, sige, sunod ko, ha? Ka-agree nan. Thank you, host. Marami ako nabinggit. No worries. Salamat. You're from where, Mercedes? Erabon. You're from where? No worries. Asa day karon Maverick? Asa day karon Maverick? Kat also added. Thank you. Okay, Kat. Okay. Thank you, Power Seeker. Also, Maverick. Okay. Again, guys, I don't know how. But Power Seeker helped me. Also, Maverick, you add also Nightbot. Hi, my friend. Hello, Cooking. Thank you. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Appreciate that so much. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Okay. From Tanjay City, Negros. Wow! Hello po din na sa mga taga Tanjay City, Negros Oriental. Okay, agoy. Naabot na sila dun eh. Wow, thank you. Thank you for the help. Canada. Oo, Canada. Okay, Donna Vlog. Hi, Donna. Sisi, thank you. House, beautiful. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you po. Thank you, ha. Sige lang, thank you. Ano bitaw? Anyways, thank you kaayo, ha. Maverick, ako ni. Salamat. Ha, tuluin lang ko ninyo, ha. You remind me, it's okay because I'm new. I accept everyone you tell me and you teach me how to do it. Okay? Korean friend, hello dear my friend. Yeah, the one I'm pinning Boy Hunter vlog. You go to the one I'm pinning Boy Hunter vlog, okay? I'm still here sa Riri. Wow! Thank you, son. Thank you for sharing your blessings to me. No.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now, my eyes teary. My lashes full. My lashes full eh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your blessing. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, okay? Still here watching you, Sariri. Kat, arigato. Okay, you teach me, ma'am. Arigato. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Sariri, thank you, boy. Unsa oras imo LS? Says Maverick, ako ni, o diba? Supportive kayo siya, no? Thank you, Sariri. Guys, hey, wait, look, ha? Oh, you see that? No? He's sharing his blessing to me. I know he support you also. You support, ha? Don't forget that one. Because a person support, okay? Spread some love and spread support. Because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Thank you very much. Thank you. Salamat po. Okay? He's sharing his blessing to me. We just met, we just knew. So very, very nice feeling, no? No? So he support me, so he will support you also. Go. Go to the one who supported me. Sariri, arigato. Thank you. Okay, cooking with Sophia. Okay, tapos na ba kayo kay Boy Hunter Vlog? Puntahan nyo kay Boy Hunter Vlog, ha? Okay? Cooking with Sophia. Okay, Boy Hunter, sige no, tido. Very, si Sir Maverick, very supportive, okay? I go always fishing and then you know what? I'm just newbie here. Nice feeling, no? My heart is full. My heart is full. Maverick also supported me. So, you support Sariri, okay? Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for sharing your blessings to me. Okay, Jasmine. Okay, nandyan pa pala si Jasmine. Thank you, ha. Sa Theo Vlogs also, nandyan. There's also. Okay, don't forget to give those thumbs up. Thank you, everybody. Okay, again, Sariri Kat. She commanded, edited. Okay, thank you. She support me. So, I know she support you also. Okay? So, good night. Marami salamat. Sa sunod na po. Thank you, Mercedes. Bye, Mercedes. Good night. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Mercedes. Okay, don't forget si Riri, ha? Maverick ako ni. Very, very good live streamer. Okay, sa Riri, thank you so much. Still here. Okay, I watch video first before I make love to you. I make love, eh? Okay, watch video first. Thank you so much. Love, guys. Spread some love. Pin, ma'am, done. Okay, Sariri, Honey Vlogs already connected to you. Dikit ko na sila lahat. Kawawa naman ako. I don't know them eh. Okay, sir, Maverick, if you want to rest, it's okay, ha? It's okay. Very nice feeling. You already supported me. Very nice. No? O, dikit na nila lahat. Sir Maverick, thank you so much for all the love and support. I support you also, okay? Now I know, a little, I know everything now. So, yes, I'll try my best, no? My idol. Very good. Thank you so much. Mel Ford Goodman. Hello! Dating dikit na ako sa kanila. Sorry. Uy. Thank you, ha? Thank you. Love. God bless you. Thank you. okay? Sige. Host kay voice like. Oh, sa man na yung pasabutan. Tuduin ko din yun. Okay, what you see? Okay, boy, Hunter Vlog, nababa ng bay. Hello, Cooking with Sophia. Again, thank you, Maverick. Ako ni salamat kay sa love and support. Ha, appreciate na ako. Just me, done po. Pasukli na lang. Says ka-agree. Okay, Sophia Vlogs. Thank you all so much. Okay, sige guys, connect kayo, ha? Thank you so much. Okay, I go to your bahay also, ha? Wait, ha? I go to your bahay. Is that Korean friend? Hello, Korean friend. I go to your house also, ha? I go to your house also, okay? Because I'm finished Boy Hunter Vlog. Boy Hunter Vlog, we're already connected, okay? We're already connected. And then I go to my Korean friend. Korean friend, hello! I'm going to your house. You dancing. You dancing. Okay, I go to your house now. Here, wow. Watching video first. You love me. You share blessing. Thank you. Thank you very much for sharing your blessing. Diyos ko.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much.
Okay? Korean friend, thank you so much. Thank you for all your love and support. Means so much to me. I'm so happy. Okay, hello ka-agree, Kalakbay TV. Done, pasukli na lang po. Okay, nagbaba ng bahay si Boy Hunter Vlog. Don't forget, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. You don't know how happy I am. May you make someone today smile. Thank you. What's your name, Korean friend? Yeah, so that I can add you to my night bot. Okay? We go, love, support. Hi, Sophia, because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Sophia, Cooking with Sophia. Okay, Melford Goodman. So sweet. Okay, thank you so much here. Okay? Here. Okay? I watch video first. Okay, Boy Hunter, nagbaba ng bike. Cooking with Sophia. Don't forget, love. You connect to Cooking with Sophia, okay? Because if you want others support you, you support them too, okay? Supporting is just for free, guys. So let's give, okay? Hello, Korean friend. You make me happy today. I'm so happy and I'm so touched. Also, Sariri, thank you. Thank you for sharing your blessing. That's her name, the Korea. That's her name, the Korean. Oh, her name, that's her name, Korean. Yeah, because okay. Bo, very good. Master Maverick. Thank you. Just good. Sige lang thank you. Yeah, I'm so grateful, ha? So, pardon me if I say thank you because that's what I feel, okay? And that's the only English I know. Thank you. Okay, here. Still viewing video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love.
Thank you very much.
Okay? Next one. Okay, nandyan Honey Vlogs also, ha? Thank you so much. Please, guys, don't forget Cooking with Sophia. Let's first go to Cooking with Sophia and then proceed to next so that everybody happy. We all happy, okay? You support me, I support you. I support you, you support me also. Love. Spread some love. Spread support. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, Cooking with Sophia, please don't forget cooking with Sophia also. You support cooking with Sophia, okay? And then we can proceed to the next pin who supported me also, ha? Very supportive to me. Again, guys, cooking with Sophia, don't forget the one I pin, okay? And now, let's go to the next pin who's very supportive to me. Ate, crush po kita, ate. Hi, you are from where, MJ? You are from where? Okay, cooking with Sophia, don't forget, and I have a new pin, very, very supportive to me. That's her name, ha? My Korean friend who is very, very, what do you call that? He supported me. Okay, guys, connect. Sophia Vlogs, Yuki is also in the house. Love, love, love. Ate, mamahalin pa kita. Oh, sana all may mamahal dito. His channel name is To the End of the Sky. What? What? I don't understand. Yung loading, host is loading. Cooking with Sophia, no worries, no problem. Okay, let's help each other grow. Host, thanks po. God bless po. Request po, I'll never go. Okay, sino singer ka agree? Ha? Sige po, sino singer? Sorry. Ating sana sa akin ka na lang po.
Girl, I know what you be. Hanap-hanap ka sa magdamag. Sa dami ng pagpipilian, ikaw lang ang naibigan ko na mahal.
Ate, ako po singing. Okay. Sana bahay mo, maglapag ka, okay? Okay, Jasmine. Sorry, Jasmine. Sige, Jasmine ha. I-next kita ha. Si Jasmine ha. And then guys, I tell you, the one I pin, very supportive to me. Very supportive to me. You support also, okay? Because I know he support you also, ha? Okay, you go the one I pin. And then now, right now, no? Already connected to you. I connected to you. I love beautiful woman. Thank you, everybody. Yay! Eric Santos po, kinanta niya yun. Okay, sige. Diyos ko, patay. Diyos ko, Lord. Ate, bahay ko po, nasa puso mo. Ay!
Hanap-hanap ka sa magdamag. Sa dami ng pagpipilian, ikaw lang.
Hello, MJ. Thank you. Okay, Jasmine, nagbaba ng bahay, ha? Jasmine, Jessie. Okay, sige po, ipin natin yan, ha? Okay, please, guys, the one I pin, ha? You love. Okay? Bago pa ako makanta, patay, tani. Okay po, sige po, ha? Wait sa, saglit, mag-diskarte ko, para pin, ato mo sa nakapin. Guys, you go to the one I pin, very supportive to me. I support you also. Ate, ako lang po ang nagpapakiling ng puso. I just colored. Okay, the one I pin, you go to the one I pin, okay? Because I connect first. Okay, banana. Okay, sige. Okay, I give you banana, ha? Wait, I pin you. Wait, ha? Wait. Wag magalit. Okay? Thank you, Sophia. Okay, now. Connected to you. Thank you. Okay, here. Salamat. Ate, Bisaya ka pala, ate. Oo, Bisaya ako. Bisaya ako. Thank you. Okay, the one I pin. Don't forget the one I pin. Salamat po. Okay, now let's go to Just Made Jessie. Okay, don't forget the one I pin na because if you support me, support you also. Okay? Alright, let's go. Connect, guys. And now we have new pin already. Gugma ako sa imo. Diyos ko, Lord. Thank you, sana legit mga... Oh yeah, sana legit daw mga sis Just Made Jessie, okay? Lablabin si Just Made Jessie, guys. Okay, puntahan kita ha. Bigyan kita banana Just Made Jessie. Okay? Here ha, we're already connected, my Korean friend. Thank you very much. Salamat sa Riri. Thank you. Okay, Melford Gutman also nagbaba ng bahay. Hey, Just Made Jessie, papunta ako sa iyo ha. Just Made Jessie, okay? Watch ko muna video mo ha, and then punta ako sa ibang banana, and then nakatira ka na sa puso ko. Thank you, MJ. MJ, maglapag ka ng bahay mo. MJ, sige na MJ ha, para lablabin din natin. Thank you, Jasmine Jessie. Okay, mag-watch mo na ako, ha? I-watch ko muna ito. And then, maya, punta naman ako sa next, ha? Okay, thank you so much po. Sige, maglablab. Ay, meron pa man to. Ano nga yung request mo? Alnibergo, patay tayo nito. Diyos ko. Diyos ko, Lord. Stress ang tutoy. Ate, I love you po. I love you. Thank you, MJ. Sige, MJ, maglapag ganun ba, MJ? Para maglablab din tayo sa bahay, okay? Alright, let's go. Wait po, ha? May nag-request, ha? But parang, I think hindi ko alam nito, ha? So, i-lablab ko na lang, kuan ko na lang, ha? Ano ba yan? Screen legit kami, Jasmine. Hello, Donong Kaliwa Mix Vlog. Hello, Mega. Magandang shout out to you. Salamat naman dyan. Okay, now you have a jacket already. Ate, ang ganda mo po. Mamahalin pa kita. Thank you naman. You support, ha? Para ma-happy si ate mo, ha? Iwan bakas balik agad, says Jasmine Jessie. Good ang Kaliwa Mix Vlog. Hello, may nang shout out. Uy, si Ka-Agri, parang hindi ko pa yun na-pin, Nandiyan ka pa, Ka-Agri? Lapag ka ng bahay. Gusto mo? Gusto mo malapag ka ng bahay? Ipin kita. Next kita kay Jasmine Jessie, ha? Tapos pinahanap ko pa si Alnibergo. Pag hindi ko alam, okay lang. I-on ko lang. Yes, Ka-Agri. Sige, lapag ka ng bahay mo. Okay lang? Okay lang? Okay? Sige, maghanap muna ako. Dudong Kaliwa Mix Vlog, nagbaba ng bahay. Ay, siya. Ate, bahay ka ba? Bakit? Hi, Power Singer Codes! Hello! Takla! Okay, guys, love, ha? Don't forget to thumbs up post, dikit if hindi pa dikit, okay? And then for now, punta muna tayo sa nakapin, okay? The one I'm pinning, Jasmine Jessie. She said you just leave a comment there, okay? Kasi ibabahay na kita sa puso ko. Just
Hanap ka sa magdamag. Sa dami ng pagpipilian, ikaw lang ang naibigan ko na mahal.
Thank you so much, MJ. Thank you, MJ. Okay? Jasmine Jessie, lablabin. You go to the one I pin, Jasmine Jessie. Dudong Kaliwa Mix Vlog, nagbaba din ng bahay si Melford Goodman. Jasmine Jessie, lablabin, ha? Lablabin. Okay? Kasi mag-proceed tayo sa next pin natin. Again, Jasmine Jessie, lablabin nyo, guys. Okay? Jasmine Jessie. Tapos na pala, no? So, okay, bigay ko muna isa, ha? Maglablab muna ako sa isa. Ha? Okay, Jasmine Jessie, guys, go. Connect, guys. Because if you want others support you, you support them too. Nandyan si Donong Kaliwa Mix Vlog. Guys, before bago kayo, ha? Putayin mo na ang nakapin, okay? Pibor mo na nakapin and then proceed, okay? Alright, kasi may baba din ako ng mga very supportive friends din. Okay, salamat Sophia. Okay, Sophia, ha? Ipin din kita after this one, ha? Okay, next one, Ka-Agri. Replace pin tayo, ha? Huwag kalimutan. Hello, Mr. Putra. Hello. Mega love shout out. Hello, Jasmine. No worries, Jasmine. No problem. Puntahan pa kita, ha? Sa isa ko pa, okay? Okay? Please. Thank you. I'm happy. Thank you, Sariri. Thank you for sharing your blessings. Sophia Vlogs, okay, I'll next you this one, okay? Ka-Agri, let's go to Ka-Agri, guys. Go, connect, the one I pin. Please, the one I pin, guys. Please, thank you so much, Sariri. The one I pin, puntahan, the one I pin. Because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Alright, let's go. Salamat po. No worries, Ka-Agri. Salamat din, ha? You help me, I help you also. Alright, let's go. Connect. Connect, guys. Jasmine Jessie, puntahan ko muna sa isa ha, kasi nag-anak siya ng banana, no? Hindi man ako marunong nito. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, wait ha. Jasmine Jessie ha, wait ha. Puntahan ko si Aka-agree, tapos, dito ha. Okay, hello Putra, hello. Okay ha, si Jasmine Jessie ha, Manila, pag nabaya, puntahan nyo guys ha, and then the one I think ka-agree. Please, love din. Love. Okay? Let's support each other. We grow together. Sophia Vlogs, hello! Hello, Ricky HTV! Hello, mega love shout out to you! Salamat naman sa pagpunta! Hello, Sophia Vlogs! Yes, magbaba ka ng bahay. You drop your link, okay? Ka-agree, please guys, you go to ka-agree. My heart pin on the way host. Wow! Thank you! Salamat, Putra! Jenny Magno, hello! Hi, Jenny! Jenny Magno, guys, nandito. Power Seeker Ghost, nandito. Sophia Vlogs, nandito. Okay, salamat, Melford Goodman. Dan Connect Banana, host my heart. Hello, Putra. Hello, Ricky HTV, shout out. Hello, Ricky. Hello. Thank you naman dyan. Salamat. Hello, Putra. Thank you. I love you. Thank you all so much. Okay, hello Power Seeker, salamat po. Okay, the one I pin so that we can proceed to next. Okay, so that everybody happy. Hello, Putra. Good morning, ate. Mamahalin pa kita sa puso ko. Diyos ko, Lord. Patamsak po, ma'am. Sapat na. Yeah, sure. Sige, magbaba ka ng bahay, ha? Done, connect, banana, tamsak, says Putra. Okay, Sophia, you drop your link, Sophia. I'll pin you next, okay? Ka-agree, please go to ka-agree. Ka-agree, guys. I'm here. Ka-agree, hello, Maverick. Thank you. Ang ganda mo talaga, ate. Sana sa akin ka na lang. You're from where, MJ? you're from... Hello, Maverick. Nandyan po pala, ha? No worries, ha? Ka-agree, guys. Puntahan, ka-agree. Okay, dito ako. Okay, ka-agree. You connect first. Let's focus first on the one I pin so that we can proceed also next. So that everybody happy, okay? And then you tell us, hello, Dan, pin Dan, ka-agree, Dan. So that he may know he will return to you also. Then we can next pin another dudong kaliwa, Dan sa'yo. Thanks, says Jasmine. Okay, si Jasmine pala, bigyan ko pa. Nakababa na po ng kubo ko, fam. Okay, nakababa na. Okay, very good. Okay, guys, ka-agree. Okay, wala na si Sofia, no? Wala na. Okay, ka-agree, puntahan mo na, ha? Jasmine also, nandyan, okay? Legit. Please, the one I pin. Salamat po. Okay, nandyan si Jenny Magno. Huwag kalimutan, Ricky HTV, the one I pin, okay? Ka-agree, nandyan pa, Jasmine Jessie, Power Seeker Post. Guys, puntahan niyo sila, lablabin na, nandyan yung si Maverick, no? The very amazing live streamer. Milford Goodman, nagbabaagyan ng bahay, okay? Jenny Magno, okay? If you want legit, you go, okay? So that they can, ate, di po ako magsasawa, pangliligaw ko, ate, ako lang po ang nagmamahal sa iyo. Thank you, everyone. I'm happy again, okay? Si Riri, very supportive. You support also. Nakatulog na ko. Pag mata na ko naka-live, yapon ka host, ayaw ko. Ay, Diyos ko. Ang ano ni mataman ka, Diyos ko. Hello, thank you. Sige ha. Oh, ay, alas 12, di ay mo. Di ay. Okay, thank you so much. Hello, Sarili. Connected with Bell says Power Seeker. Okay, guys, Power Seeker have a legit friend of mine. Very supportive friend. You connect to Power Seeker. But first also, you connect also to Ricky HTV, the 118 also. Okay? Putra, nandyan di Putra. Okay, Putra, I go to your house also. Mahal din namin si host ka-love-love na MJ. Thank you, Ma'am Jenny. Jenny Magnanon po. Says ka, agree. Ate, ganda mo po talaga. Ihatid kita sa altar. Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko. Even mo, you buy it. Okay? Look me, my heart. Okay, I go to your heart. Ay, heart? Ka-agree. Love na tayo. Magdikit na ako sa'yo. Ka-agree, ha? Okay? Love na ta ka, ha? Nangi, tagaan ko palagi. Nangi, ko host. Uy, unya, nawala man akong katulgo. Nagwaitis ako kadali. Masyak, sadta. Sorry. Look me, my heart. Okay, ka-agree. Dikit na tayo, ha? Okay, Putra, going to you. Going to you. Okay, here, Putra. Here. Okay, Ricky HTV, please. Okay, ka-agree. No worries, ka-agree. Please, Ricky HTV, love din. Okay, you tell us when you're done to Ricky HTV so that we can proceed and love, and then many people will be happy also. Okay? Alright, let's go. Connect, guys. Okay, Jasmine, minamahal kita. Oh, wow. Sana all. Oh, diba? Ricky HTV, ito ha. Love din ha. Wait muna ako ha. Watch muna ako saglit ha before kita edit. Ate, tagasan ka po? Cebu. Ming Nanilia, Cebu. Hello, MJ. Jasmine, okay, Jessie, may link dyan, you go, ha? Lablabin nyo, ha? Di mo naman ka og double to host, kaya hato, di ba sa altar yatay? Lagi yatay. Nagmumural ka kayo dati, yung hindi pa ako maisawa, ha? Okay, Ricky HTV, done po sa you with Makasis, Jenny Mano. Let's go, my heart. Okay, Putra, here. I'm here. Okay, please, Ricky HTV, puntahan din, maglapag kayo ng bahay. Please, maglapa, okay? Ate, pinana mo ang puso ko, ate, parehas pala kita. Hoy, Diyos ko, na-drumgay na. Please, minamahal kita pam, sabi sa kanta. Ito si Ricky. Ricky, love-labin si Ricky. Si Honey Vlogs, kanina pa yan, no? Very diligent. Lablabin nyo, no? Sure kayo dyan, hindi kayo mabubudol. Putra, here. Okay, I gonna pin nyo, ha? Again, Ricky HTV. Don't tour, you go to Ricky, okay? Please pin. Hello, Ma'am Jenny. Ma'am Jenny, you also lapag. I also pin nyo, ha? Yes, look, my heart. Wow. Hello, host. Nabuang naman na sa imong love engine. Buyagan niya ako mong host. Hello, Sariri! Hello! Thank you, Sariri! Thank you! Uy, Bisaya sa Daisya. Uy, pag-Bisaya lang ta, para hindi tayo mahirapan sa lisod eh. Si Jasmine, nandiyan pa, ati kapoy lagi yung kaganda. Aki, kapoy lagi yung kaganda mo po. Pag-Bisaya lang ta, baby. May namatarot ta. Si Jasmine GCB. Puntahan ko balik si Jasmine GC. Uy, Diyos ko, Lord. Ricky, dikit na tayo, Ricky, ha? Love na tayo, ha? Dikit kalimbang, diba? Pat Bilindong, nagbaba ng bahay again. Ka-agree. RKHTV doon. Basta click na lang po. Hello, Sariri Kat. Yeah, guys, Sariri Kat, very supportive. So, I know she support you also. That one, Sariri Kat, okay? You visit also, okay? Love. Utra Indonesian. Okay, now, already connected to you. I go again back to GC. Okay, GC me, GC me. I go back to GC me, GC me, GC me. Done to you ha, Putra. Ricky HTV Pasukli says Jessie me. Just me, Jessie. Sorry. Ricky HTV. Bes nagduka pa ko pero gidikitan pa jud ka para masaya. Thank you, friendly basketball. Ati pag istorya ta kapiting kalami nimo ati na nahigugma ako sa imo. Taga asa man ka MJ? Asa man inyo ang balay? Ako taga Minan ni ikaw, asa man ka? Jasmine Jessie, puntahan ko ulit, no? Very good si Ricky. Puntahan ko si Jasmine Jessie. Okay, love kayo dyan. Okay, mag-connect because if you want other support, you support them too. Okay? Then may baba din ako ng mga link ha. Kaya very supportive ito sa atin. Then mga member ko to. And then tignan nyo, no? Nag-support sila sa akin. So mag-support din sila sa inyo, no? Okay, let's go. Connect. Okay, busog na. Wow. Thank you. Okay, magbaba ako ha. Ito mga baba ko ha. Kaya supportive sa akin ba? I know, mag-support din sila sa inyo ha. Okay? Please support ha. Because very supportive to me. I know they support you also. No? Okay? Ano nga yun? What? Is that cat? Ate, busog na po ako sa pandahan mo po. Thank you, MJ. Asa man inyo sa Cebu? Okay, asa man inyo? Si Jessie. Okay. Sige lang po. Magpag lang kayo ng bahay dyan, ha? Kasi puntahan ko lang, no? Mag-view din ako ng mga videos niyo. Punta ako balik kay Jessie. Ibabahay na kita. Oh, Diyos ko. Huwag sa bungi pa ng host. Naghingog mo daw siya ni mo host. Ay, Ginoo ko, Lord. Si host, Amerikana, galing maggalong. Hello, Bisayang dako ko ha, bisdak niya si host ha. Mag-English lang ako. I'm gonna speak English because mostly going here is very boring. Thank you, Kiko. Thank you for coming. Utra, the one I pin. Okay, si Jessie. Ipin ko, no? Jasmine, Jessie! Thank you. Salamat, connect Jasmine, Jessie, guys. Lablabin si Jasmine, Jessie. Friendly Basketball PH. Legit yan. Main channel yan. So, if na Sureball, go mo. MJ, isama mo din kami sa bahay mo ha. Kaya wala na mag-ayuda sa imo. Suluhin si host. Ay, Ginoo ko. Si Kagrigri, naglaba ni ng bahay, ha? Jasmine, Jessie, also boy hunter vlog. Friendly Basketball, connected with you yesterday. Okay, guys, ha? Okay, si Jenny Magno din, no? Nandyan din. Okay, guys, if you know, ati, agawin na kita sa puso mo. MJ, asa lang yun sa Cebu. Okay? Jasmine, Jessie, the one I pin. Okay? And then that one, Friendly Basketball PH, legit. Okay? Main channel, legit. So you go. Okay? You go. And then connect. No? Very supportive. You just, okay, nag-story na saan. Okay, sige, connect, guys. Thank you so much, Boy Hunter Vlog. Hello, Jenny Magna. Hello po. Vijaya Cooking and Beauty channel, Power Seeker Codes. Thank you so much, already connected to your channel too. Power Seeker says Friendly Basketball. Salamat, Vijaya Cooking and Beauty. Hello, ako po talaga laba. Hala, dool rata. Thank you, Sisi Vijaya Cooking and Beauty channel. Again, Jasmine, Jessie, lablabin. Okay, so that proceed tayo sa next, ha? Mag-love kayo, okay? Yes, yesterday you connected on Premiere, so I confirm also connected. Wow. Thank you, Friendly Basketball. Okay, thank you, ha? Sige lang, tomorrow, ipin kita, ha? Friendly Basketball, ha? Ipin kita. No? Okay, Jasmine, Jessie, please, love. Sige, ha? Ka-agree. Friendly Basketball, done po. Pasukli na lang po. Yay! Love you. No worries. Jasmine, Jessie. Okay, puntahan Jasmine, Jessie. Ate, ang ganda mo po talaga. Para kang ulap. Diyos ko, Lord. Ay, kagila. Power seeker confirmed. Yahoo! Okay, love Bin, just me, Jessie. Okay, don't forget just me, Jessie. Okay, love. And then now, I'm gonna replace pin again to Jenny Magno. Please guys, love Jenny Magno, go. Jenny Magno, hello Jenny Magno. Just me, Jessie, done with Bakas. Mag-love kayo ha. If you want other support, you support them too. Love. Connect. Go. Hello, Friendly Basketball PH. Very legit, great channel. So, wala na. Hindi mo nakaugdag ko. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Jenny Magno, puntahan Jenny. Puntahan kasi Ma'am Jenny also, ha? Utra, done to you also, okay? I'll go to Ma'am Jenny. Jenny Magno. Yay! Diba? Okay, salamat sa... No worries, Ma'am Jenny, ha? Maliit na bagay. Ricky HTV, nandyan pa din. Jenny Magno, love din si Jenny Magno, please. Okay, Jenny Magno. Hello, Friendly Basketball. Okay, gawin ko ha. Go to channel, okay? Just me, Jessie, done. Full pack sa'yo, Lons, para masaya. Jenny Magno, done sa'yo. Salamat. Okay, pabalikan nyo na lang ha, kasi mag-connect tayo. We grow each other. We help each other. If you help me, I help you also. They help you also. Okay? Okay? Connect tayo. Salamat po. Okay, love din Jenny Magno, the one I'm feeling. Jenny Magno, please show some love and support, guys, because if you want others to support you, you support them too. Jenny Magno, okay? Jenny Magno, please, love din Jenny Magno. Salamat po. Jenny Magno, done. Thumbs up po, salamat naman dyan. Jenny Magno. Okay, nag-watch na ako ha. And then mag-love ako sa iyo. Okay? Hi, hello, JJ Epic Vlog. Hi, hello. Thank you naman sa pagbisita. Salamat po. Now you have a jacket. Salamat. Ate, lumulutang ng puso ko sa iyo. Pakiramdam ko po, parang sa langit na po ako sa kagandahan mo po. Aalagaan pa kita, ate. Mamalin pa kita. Ikaw lang naman buhay ko. Diyos ko, Lord! Diyos ka! Okay, Jenny Magno, old friend na daw, okay? Magbaba ako ng bahay, ha? Jenny Magno, guys, you support, okay? Because if you want others support you, you support them too. And then here, no? This is very, very supportive also, ha? The one ay baba link, ha? Wait, ha? Okay? Jenny Magno, you go to Jenny Magno, the one I'm pinning. Thanks, my heart. Hello, Putra. Yes, already connected to you, ha? And then already done, Jenny. Thank you, Maverick. Guys, if you haven't, I know you connected, no? But I tell you this one, ha? Okay? Maverick ako ni. There, Maverick ako ni. You read, Maverick ako ni. Very, very amazing live streamer. You go there fishing. I know he helped your channel grow, okay? Ate, napakaganda mo, ate. Talaga, alam mo po, ikaw lang buhay ko. Thank you, MJ. Okay, you go to Jenny Magno also, MJ, ha? You love Jenny Magno, MJ. So that ate will be happy, MJ, ha? And then also, I have friends in there. Power Seeker, Maverick ako ni, Friendly Basketball. You connect also. Okay, so that ate will be happy. Okay, MJ? Thank you, MJ. Okay, may baba ako ng link, ha? Love nyo, ha? Ibaba ako ng link, ha? Okay? Jenny Magno, Jenny Magno. My God, I hate Ay, Diyos ko. Okay, the one I pin. Ate, nililigawan ko kita. Pastress na ni siya tutoy na. Hello, MJ. MJ, you love, ha? So that Ate will be happy. Ha? Okay, the one I pin, guys, the one I pin, Friendly Basketball, no? Always supporting me, so support them. I know he will support you also. Friendly Basketball, you love, guys. Okay, again, don't forget to thumbs up, post, Dikit if you haven't Dikit, okay? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And then don't forget to like our official Facebook page, Max Fam, okay? Max Fam, guys, support. Also our other Facebook page also, no? Max Sportswear, okay? That's our Facebook page again. Max Fam, Max Sportswear, okay? Shabas Collections, itutundo ko na lang ha, Ashley's Ginabutan, Maxville Realty. Diba? Ate, di ka ba mabura sa puso ko? Ano naman ni? Okay, Jasmine Jessie, nagbaba ng bahay, okay? Friendly Basketball, John Dikit host with Bakas. Okay, again ha? Okay, we ship basketball uniform, any sports attire, just like our official Facebook page, Max Sportswear, ha? Very quality no, because our client abroad, ha? Anywhere. Mostly our client abroad. Also here, government, chuchu. So guys, like our page, Max Sportswear. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, nakapak naman ko. The one I pin, guys. Max Sportswear. Also, our official Facebook page, Max Fam, so that you get notified, updated po sa aming mga pag-games. Okay, we always give prizes in there, ha? Games. Ate, mamahalin pa kita, alagaan pa kita, mamahalin. Okay, harang 30 seconds. Thank you, Power. Thank you. Okay, guys, huwag kang pumasok dyan. Masisira po. Okay, guys, please, the one I pin, Friendly Basketball, very supportive, okay? You have premiere, and then he's not busy, go there. O, sige ka, ha? And then Maverick, no? Very amazing live streamer. And dyan din, no? Jenny Magno, Jessie Power Seeker. Okay, and then guys, okay, please go to the one I pin. Ate, may asawa ka na pala. Oo, tignan mo yung mga videos namin, ha? Okay, tignan mo mga videos namin. Yeah, and MJ, if you have time, patukan ka na talaga sa MJ, if you have time, you go to our Facebook page, ha? Because we always there, and then go games, okay? And MJ, wait, MJ, daghan ra ba kayo? We have lots of customers in Labangon. Yeah, okay? You like our page, Max Sportswear, basketball uniform, okay? Alright, let's go! Connect! Hello, Jenny Magno! Corrected na ako sa'yo, Jenny Magno, ha? Okay, and then guys, is it okay? I go now, and then you connect the one I pin. That is Friendly Basketball, ha? I go now because you know what? I know you are not asking. Before I went live here, I first live in my Facebook, live selling and free mind. Then I went here straight. Ayaw na ihatag siya host kay istukon ra ka na niya. No, not my personal man, ha? Very good, Kiko. Ay, Kiko. Okay, Kiko. I-pin nyo tomorrow, ha? You go back, ha? I-pin nyo, Kiko, ha? Ka-agree. Thank you. Guys, I have to go. Signing out. Who's signing out already, ha? Because a while ago, I live hours and then here also live straight. Okay? Thank you all so much. Host, can I sign out now? Salamat po. Hello, MJ. Okay? You be good, MJ, ha? Ate will be happy also if you go here and then you love also my friends. Hi, Maverick. Thank you. salamat po. Thank you so much for all the love. So, thank you all. Ayun, nag-returns ka na naman. Thank you, sige na ha. Babay na si Hosa. Thank you so much po.
Thank you very much.
Sa love and support, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye-bye. Host is now signing off, okay? Balik lang kayo ha, don't worry. Mag-enjoy lang tayo, okay? Thank you, love all. God bless you. Salamat po. Love.